What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream. It is Wednesday, July 17th. We are in the midst of a nice crypto rally. We're going to talk about large caps, small caps, what's happening with XRP up 40+% in the last week. We're loving that price action. So a lot to dive into here, guys, in this video. We are going to take this one right up to 9:30, which that will be our Crypto Breakfast Club. Of course, the Crypto Breakfast Club starts at 9:30, runs to 11:30. We go live here for an hour before then. You guys can stay right here and listen into the Breakfast Club. It's going to be a 3-hour-long live stream. We do it every Monday through Friday. So if you guys are not yet subscribed to the channel, you're not yet following me on X, I simply don't know what you're doing. There are unbelievable calls being made in the Crypto Breakfast Club. We're going to talk about some of those today. This MAPE token that my buddy Zach from Subway called at $1 million market cap is sending beyond belief. Meme coins are surging right now. We're going to talk about some of the hottest plays in the meme coin market. Yes, we're going to talk about Ponky that finally broke out and absolutely went parabolic yesterday. And this is what it's about. It's about getting wealthy in crypto, doing it together, having our hands in a lot of different pies, diversifying, and being prepared to take full advantage of this market. So if you guys are on YouTube, smash that like button. Please keep firing up the emojis, drop comments. Let's push this up in the algorithm. We want to see a ton of people in the house. Who do we got here? Alvaro's here. The guy is here. Alvaro says, good morning, rich people. Let's go. Martin's in the house. Pepe looking good today. Yes, John, we'll talk about that. Let's go XRP. Kamal is in the house. Thoughts on NRN coin? I don't know about that one, Steven. Christopher Salas is in the house. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right, so let's start right at the top, guys. Kevin, you the man. No, you the man. You the man. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you, brother. Good morning, Patty B. I'm up so much, bro, after the wick at 38 cents. Love it. People are trading XRP like crazy right now on leverage using Margex. If you guys are interested in that, the Margex link is down below if you're interested in leverage trading. Absolutely love it, seeing people win right now in the space. XT Algo, which is my trading indicator, was all over XRP when before it broke out. So if you guys are using XT Algo, congratulations, because you're making money. Astro's coming in from Australia. Mario, good morning. What's up? Still think Andy's going to catch Brett? Probably not, in my opinion. I think Brett has just solidified itself as one of the top meme coins right now. Lewis, you the man, brother. You the man. You the man. Glenn Torrey, a member on the channel. My brother, good morning to you. Thank you for being a member too, Glenn. Good morning from California. Mario, hit the likes, people. Martin knows what's up. Good morning. What happened to Spike? I don't know what happened to Spike. All right, so let's start at the top. Bitcoin hit 66K last night. Yeah, Bitcoin went up and touched $66,000 last night. We're up 12% in the last 7 days. Great V-shaped recovery after Germany is done selling its Bitcoin. Now, there could still be some downside in the short term, guys. Don't freak out if we see it. But we've got Ethereum ETFs supposedly coming next week on the 23rd, which is next Tuesday. So ETH is looking strong here. Actually up slightly more than Bitcoin in the last week, still outperforming it a little bit. BNB getting close back up to that $600 range. Solana at 160. And then we've got XRP up 40+%. If we take a look at the cryptos up the most in the last 7 days, WorldCoin has exploded recently. Arweave, which is one we've talked about ad nauseum here on the channel recently. It is a newer version of Filecoin that I absolutely love. Okay. And then XRP up there as well. The top gainers in the last week, XRP up 41%. So where is my XRP army at? Fire some XRPs in the chat. I definitely want to hear from you guys. And right here, the live stream has started, so it should be up and running. Are we not live? Are we not live on X? Wait a minute. We should be. Are we live on X? Okay, it looks like we are live on X because Blake's coming in from X, but I don't know. Okay, it does say we're live on X. Can I share this? I'm going to post this. Join us right now. Meme coins are sending. XRP is flying. We are. There we go. We'll post it. And now it should be up there. I don't know why it's not auto-populating. It should be. It's weird. It should be auto-populating. The live should be just showing up. But guys, if you could share these out there, that would be awesome. That would be awesome if you could just share these out there. Nice. We are getting some people coming in. So welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us. Hell yeah. XRP is pumping like crazy. You are live on X. Okay. I just couldn't see it. Did someone say XRP? Hell yeah, Boca. Andy on Saul's going nuts. Love it. XRP Army doesn't sell their XRP. Long-term hodlers. We got a super chat coming in from Website Warrior. Hey, Zach, I'm struggling to diversify. I'm heavy into memes, but want to hedge. What are some of your top utility picks with great potential? Great question. I'll rattle off a few to you right now that I think are undervalued, that I think are really solid. Let's see here. Let's start up top with Chainlink. Chainlink, I think, is really undervalued. I still think Cardano is undervalued. I still think Pepe, which is a meme coin, has great potential. Caspa, the ASI token, FET right here. Stacks, I think, is still undervalued. Kronos is still undervalued. Sui, really like Sui. Like Tau and Injective, Arweave. I mean, there's a lot, man. You just got to find out. Ondo Finance would definitely be one. I still think Jasmy's going to run. Brett's a meme coin, but I love it still. Upside potential. Quant is another one. Ethereum name service is very volatile, should run. Gala, same thing when gaming gets hot again. Pendle in the RWA space, still like this one. Still think there's upside there. So there you go. There's a few. Hopefully that answers your question. Appreciate the super chat. Please take a look at Dex Check AI coin. My biggest bag is Pepe. Don't sleep on the next billion-dollar market cap. Moo, bro. Yeah, Moo's been crushing it. Hit that like button for this hardworking man. Appreciate you, Larry. Definitely smash the like button. Helps us out. XRP is still down compared to the rest of the top 10. Make it or break time. XRP has terrible tokenomics, in my opinion. There's a lot of people who feel that way, for sure. But the thing of it is, we still have an immense potential to get big money coming into XRP. Big money. Future of Pepe looks bright, my brother. What's up, G-Money? I like Beam as well. Yeah, I like Beam. XRP to 10K by August. Good morning from Florida. What's up, Paul? Thoughts on Arc Block? I like it. It had a huge run-up. It's dialed back, but I still think it's pretty solid. Look at the new Saitama on ETH. Appreciate you, man. Love the content lately. Website, appreciate you, bro. Website Warrior, you're the man. Thank you for the super chat. Top of the morning from Arizona. Yeah, you ain't kidding. Top of the morning. Please, about XRP. We love XRP. I like Turbo, too. All right, so one of the reasons why XRP's pumping, guys. Why is XRP pumping like crazy here? 40% in the last week. What's going on? Well, we're still trending in a tight range, by the way, in the last year here. You could see we've popped up here to 68, 70 cents a couple times. I'd like to go make a push at that and hopefully break it. One of the reasons why XRP is looking really good right now here in the last 7 days is because The SEC is having a closed door meeting tomorrow. The SEC is having a closed door meeting tomorrow. People are speculating that it could be the end of the XRP lawsuit, potentially. Now, keep in mind, we've had settlement rumors, as Boca just put in the chat, exactly. We've had settlement rumors surface before. We've had the SEC have closed door meetings before, and people got excited thinking that XRP's settlement was going to be done and Ripple and the SEC would be over, and it didn't happen. Now, I will say this. We are a lot further down the road from ending that lawsuit because of what happened this time last year. This time last year, XRP, the token, was deemed not a security from the retail side or the retail perspective. We are still battling with the institutional side of XRP, but the SEC could be having and holding a meeting this Thursday regarding that. We don't know exactly what it is they're going to be addressing there. It could also be about Binance's situation, some of the other lawsuits that are out there. There are 5 altcoins that recently surfaced that they're deeming securities. Those are Polygon. And this doesn't scare me, by the way. I'm not going to go sell my Polygon because of this, even though the prices have been down. Polygon, Decentraland, Sandbox, Luna Classic, and Chiliz, CHZ, have been listed recently by the SEC. So we don't really know, but people are speculating, right? So we got the initial surge from XRP Day, which I believe was on what, July 13th? This, coupled with the settlement rumors, has definitely sparked some excitement here within the XRP community. And we shall see if this plays out, in a way where, it could be really, really bullish for XRP. I'm really upset that my live stream is not just showing up and embedding here. Join us live by clicking that link above. Guys, can you guys let me know, is my live stream showing up on your end? Like just right in the, it should just be showing up right in the feed. I don't know why it's not showing up right in the feed. It always does. Interesting. I mean, we are definitely live. We're on. But if I go to Coin Merge, see how that one's showing up right there in the feed? Why is mine not showing up in the feed? It's interesting. Max, for sure. You're right here. Yeah. No link in the feed, which is really weird. Which is very weird. I'm going to try to... I wonder if I could share it again. I'm watching it on X and here on YouTube. Appreciate you, Real Dominican. I'm not quite sure why it's not showing up in the feed. That's weird. It should be showing up right in the feed. Huh. Interesting. This will take you right to it, though. So make sure you guys, no, but you can't retweet it, though. That's what sucks. It is showing. It is showing on the feed. Okay. I don't know why it's not showing on my feed, but anyways, let's get into some of the other things we are watching here. And if we go to altcoin news, there are some things that I find interesting. Let's see if I can find this article regarding XRP that I saw. Here we go. This was something else fueling the surge from Finbold. Check this out. Ripple's massive XRP transfer fuels price surge amid SEC settlement rumors. This is definitely something that is sparking a surge. After Ripple made a transfer of 150 million XRP to an unknown wallet, the price of the crypto involved has soared over 12%, and rumors have surfaced that the blockchain company could be nearing its settlement of the case with the SEC. And again, we have that behind doors closed meeting coming up tomorrow. By the way, that's starting at 2 p.m. And shout out to everybody listening over on YouTube. Make sure you guys smash the like button. We have 230 people. We need to run those likes up significantly, though. There's only 91 likes. There should be well over 150 likes on YouTube, all right? Definitely helps us out. Indeed, Ripple team has transferred 150 million XRP to an unknown crypto wallet, which has suggested this might have to do with the upcoming SEC meeting at the commissioner's headquarters in Washington, D.C., which will discuss settlements and litigation resolutions. This has people very much excited. Ripple moves its escrow every month. That is very true. But the way they're positioning this is it looks different. Boca, you might know better than me because you're an XRP crazy person. Is this out of the ordinary because it was sent to an unknown crypto wallet? I'm reading that as it's something different. It unlocks the segments, they sell some, move the rest, and relock it. Okay, so this is not out of the ordinary. Okay. So this could just be, clickbait. But I do think no matter what, this part of it is right. The SEC meeting in Washington, D.C. on July 18th is fueling some of this excitement and some of this settlement rumors, despite the money being transferred, which looks to be something that happens all the time. I did know that, but I thought this might be a little bit different considering it's to an unknown wallet. All right, Jason, if you're so smart, then you should do this every day and go live, bro, and see if you get it right 100% of the time. I love people who criticize. All right, so guys, let's talk about meme coins. Let's get into some meme coin conversations, and we'll come back to XRP a little bit. If you guys have some other things, let me know. But we are making a ton of money on meme coins right now. Maga Pepe, look at this damn token. $16 million market cap. It was mentioned on the Crypto Breakfast Club. My audio is very quiet. Oh, here, let me reduce. Let me take that off. What about now? That should be a lot better. That should be a lot better for you. But Maga Pepe, which was listed or mentioned by Zach from Subway, a good friend of mine who's my co-host for the Crypto Breakfast Club, at $1 million market cap. He has sent this thing to 16 mil. He knew something was brewing. This thing has not slowed down just yet. Crazy. Little pullback right now on Maga Pepe, but man, this thing has been awesome. Huge run up here. I got in around $4 or $5 million market cap yesterday when he mentioned it again on the space. So we've 3x'd on Maga Pepe. Eventually, we're going to get some type of pullback, but shout out to Maga Pepe. This thing is going nuts, okay? Boca G on XRP says they have backroom deals with lots of institutions, are positioning for when regulation is set in stone. And that's the other thing. If something comes out regarding regulation at this meeting, obviously it'll have an impact on XRP and the whole market. Love stacks. RDT, did you get into Maga Pepe? Who got into Maga Pepe? Anybody? Is anybody making money on Maga Pepe? I hope so. Hopefully you're taking your profits. We've got Bambit on Solana making another run. It had a crazy run up. We talked about this one early. It had a crazy run up. Great chance to make profits. Now curling back up. So again, just keep an eye on this if you're still in it. Bambit on Solana. Meme coin. Had that one run up. Who knows? Maybe it's kind of gearing up for a second run. We took profits along the way, left a little moon bag, so that moon bag's up a little bit. Bazinga on Solana up a little bit today. I never got into this one, just watching it. We are into Toshi though on base. And Toshi on base now back up to $140 million market cap. This one still looks really strong in my opinion. Toshi on base, one of the large meme coins on base, looking really good. $140 million market cap. Love to see it. Absolutely love to see it. Oh, there's the link. Now it's embedded. Okay, now it's embedded. All of a sudden, it took a minute. All right, so that's good to see. All right, so now, guys, you guys can go ahead and smash this retweet button. There it is. Okay, so right here, do what I'm doing right now. See that retweet button? We should have like 25, 30 retweets on this. It finally embedded into the post. So send this out for us. Help us get some more people in here. Let's fire up and get past CoinMerge. All right, CoinMerge is a big account. I think we can fire up past them because we got a lot to talk about. We got Shark Tank today. Crypto Breakfast Club at 9:30, guys, 40 minutes away. We're going to hear from HGACSS and Flork, two little meme coins on ETH that look solid. And we're going to talk all kind of meme coins and altcoins, crypto alpha today at 9:30. That's going to be right here live stream too. But yeah, smash that retweet button. We should be running this baby up right here on the page. So if you are listening on X, definitely do that for us. Helps us out. Yep, Shark Tank is back. It's Wednesday, baby. It's Wednesday. Pepe's looking great, Jerry. And good morning to you, bro. What are the chances Coinbase lists Pepe this by 2025? It'll be interesting. I mean, I don't know why they haven't listed it, to be honest with you. I have no idea why they haven't listed it already, to be honest. But Toshi on base looks really good. And then, guys, this is on the thumbnail for a reason. We got to talk about frickin' Ponky. Ponky set all-time highs yesterday and today. Just broke out. Look at this chart. Ponky is heading to $1 billion, guys. I'm telling you, this thing is on another frickin' stratosphere right now. Ponky on Solana, $356 million market cap. I have been talking about this as a top 5 meme token of mine for months. We got in a $20 million market cap. This one has been going parabolic the last few days, and it is beautiful, beautiful to see. Yeah, JW, this happens a lot with pre-sales, brother. And this is why I always stress, and I talk about pre-sales on my channel. I even take promotional deals with pre-sales, but I'm very, very upfront with what my strategy is. In fact, just made 2 pre-sale videos today. With pre-sales, as soon as it launches, if you get into the pre-sale, as soon as it launches, usually you get a run-up. Get your basis plus some back out of the gate. This is my strategy. Then all the pre-sellers usually sell off, and then there's only that second surge if it's met with interest from the public. If there's public interest after, then it'll rise again. We saw it with Solana. That was one that did 100x. There's been a couple that have done 100x, but with these meme coin pre-sales, you know, I'm looking for 2 to 3x's, and I'm happy with that. These are not ones like Ponky, in my opinion, and Brett, where they can go absolutely parabolic. These are more or less make a little bit, stack your chips, leave a moon bag, win the trade, leave a moon bag, and then sometimes they go, right? But there's so much competition in meme coins right now, and there's so many great ones that are not in pre-sale that are fair launched by big teams that have tons of capital. Those are the ones that are going nuts, right? Lays low, what's going on? Zach, you see us burning up? Nice. MSI. Did MSI tumble? We'll get to it. It was a great opportunity to make money in the short term. That's why you got to have a profit-taking plan, brother. You got to take your damn profits. XRP looking phenomenal. XRP looking phenomenal. We hit that on the top of the show. This Saitama, though, is this the one you're talking about? Saitama on Sol? I'm in this one. So Saitama on Sol curling back up. I don't know if this is the one I'm in. I'm not in the one on ETH. This is the one I'm in. Saitama on Solana. We made some really nice money on the run-up. Left a moon bag. It's starting to curl back up a little bit. It's up 31+%. So that's good to see. But yeah, Ponky has just been phenomenal. Love that Toshi's up. Mape, again, we started with that one. It's crushing it. We are in GME on Solana. So GME on Solana still looking really good. Okay, check this out. Launched back in January. GME on Solana curling back up. Sitting right around a $50 million market cap. I still really like this one. I got a moon bag. Made some profits on the last big run up and left a moon bag here. I left a moon bag in GME on Sol, AMC on Sol, and Roaring Kitty. This one here, Kitty on Sol. 3.6 mil market cap. We traded this one twice on the big run-ups. Roaring Kitty on Solana. So I still like that one. I still think it could have another big pump depending on anything that comes out regarding Roaring Kitty or GME or whatever. If GME starts running, these ones are going to start running. So be on the lookout for that. Those will start running. If you're on YouTube and you haven't subscribed yet, definitely do that. We welcome all new subscribers. Appreciate you guys for pounding that like button too, and obviously retweeting the space here on X. We only have 10 retweets on this. Come on, guys. Fire this up. It's so easy to do. It's so easy to do to fire up this retweet button. It's very simple. And we're catching up to CoinMerge. Come on, we're right there on the heels of CoinMerge. We could pass them up right now. We know we can do it. Vents on Solana back up to a $3 million market cap. Uh-oh, looking good. Looking good. JD Vents looking good. I got to text my buddy. So this JD Vents, kind of like Donald Trump and all that whole narrative. JD Vents was named VP. Look at this one. This one looks really good. Sitting just below a $3 million market cap. Looks really good. Fight on Solana. This one now 53 mil market cap, pulling back a little bit, but this was also mentioned by Zach from Subway on our space. Fight on Ethereum, $54 million market cap, looks really strong. Fight to Maga. So these types of Trump tokens and all this stuff, sending right now. We are a half hour away from the Breakfast Club, by the way. Just a little tidbit there. About 32 minutes away, but I wanted to get through a lot of these tokens that are pumping. Shizmu, which we traded once on the big run-up, starting to pump up a little bit. We traded this one on this big run back in January. Still a 1.59 mil market cap. Good volume here, picking back up. Tucker Carlson, we have a moon bag here, 9 mil market cap. Had a nice run-up, made a nice trade. Got a moon bag here of Tucker Carlson. Kind of fits in with that whole JD Vents and all that crap. Bubba on Solana. I never bought this, but it's curling up a little bit. Monka. They'll be joining us. Monka will be joining us today on the Crypto Breakfast Club for Shark Tank Wednesday. Chart looks really solid. Good volume, 2.18 mil market cap. Monka, really strong narrative, guys. Put this one on your radar. I'm telling you guys, this is a Pepe type coin. This meme, Monka meme, has been around for a really long time. Look at it. Look into it. Know your memes. The narrative is strong. And we're going to hear from them on Shark Tank today. So can't wait for that. Can't wait for that. That's going to be awesome. We're going to have them on Shark Tank today. Monka looking really good. Love it. Based AI. We've been in this one for a while. 153 mil market cap. If we can get it to roll up here. There we go. Still looks really strong. On a nice little uptrend too. Based AI looks really good here. This is tied in with the Pepe coin, original Pepe coin, built on Ethereum. 2016 version, all one word, Pepe coin, which they're probably on here somewhere. Here they are. Based AI is the same team of Pepe coin. Pepe coin, 345 mil market cap. This is Pepe coin, all one word. This looks really strong too. I love these two plays. We started talking about XRP at the top of the live stream, brother. Yeah, XRP looks great. I'll see you over there, Jerry. Shark Tank Wednesday, baby. XRP is strong buyers. Look at Book of Maga, still very early. Boca loves XRP. Boca, appreciate all your support too, bro. You know I love you. I can't wait to see you again, man. We gotta plan a meetup somewhere, maybe in Vegas or something. Word on the street, XRP has a lot of haters still. Yeah, for sure. XRP Army is in the chat. If you're part of the XRP Army, let me hear from you in the chat. They're coming out today. Love it. Love it. All right, what else is up? I mentioned AMC on Solana. I'm still in this one. 1.84 mil. We ran it up. We made a nice trade on AMC. Looks like the GME chart quite a bit. Looking good. Kith Gill, we're still in this one. It's only a 228K market cap. We're still in this one, waiting for this one to freaking go. But yeah, JD Vance. This one looks really good. This one looks really nice. JD Vance looks solid. Solid uptrend. Put 600 bucks in this one at like 2 mil. So we'll see what happens. MOG looks really good. I just missed it, bro. I just missed it completely. XRP is a stable coin. Yeah, people love to make fun of it. I mean, but hey, you know, to each their own, Nicholas. Thanks for being a member. 2.5 million market cap. Oh, we got one, boys. Oh, a hater. There we go. XRP got some haters. Mumu on Solana. I talked about this one way back at like 15 mil market cap, guys. Look at Mumu on Sol, setting all-time highs. Don't sleep on Mumu, the bull, for the bull market. Look at Mumu, the bull. Love it. Mumu, the bull, firing up. Zeus is a utility play, 44 mil market cap on Solana. It's curling up nice. I'm in this one. This was a huge pre-sale. It dumped down. It's still at a 43 mil market cap. Pretty low volume right now, but I still like this one to get back up to, you know, that 80, 90, cent range, and probably even get to $1 here because it's really strong utility. It's actually a really good project, this Zeus. So I do have a position there. Pepe, 136 mil market cap, looking really good right now. Pepe's looking really good. In fact, let's say Pepe looking to set new all-time highs. It's getting close. Bents looks bullish. We're going to rattle off a few of them here. MAPE. MAPE was called in the crypto Gotta love it. Guys, also, not only share our live stream here, smash that retweet on the live stream, but smash this too. If you guys want to retweet the Breakfast Club link, that would be awesome for us too. This is the pinned post up here. Smash that thing too. I'm just rattling off a bunch here. Moo is looking great. Waffles. The cat of Da Vinci. Looking good. Look at Waffles. Interesting. Oh, Kendu's still a bullish play. Love to see it, guys. Let's see what else is moving. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us. Hey, AI Alpha Wolf just became a new member on the channel. Let's go, baby. Good morning, brother. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Appreciate you. What else is moving here? ZKML, this is a really solid project. 9 mil market cap, still moving up a little bit, curling up. We traded it once. We talked about it very early, like 1 or 2 mil. So it's up from launch. We talked about this like day one, ZKML. It's way back down, but I do think this one has really good utility. This is a solid play. Back to 21 levels. Oh, yeah. If we can get back to 21 levels, baby. PMPY, we've talked about this one for a long time on the channel too. Had an extraordinary run up. Starting to build back up a little bit. DGen is a big meme coin, 86 mil. Came way back down. Maybe this one can start firing back up. Still has really good volume. These are just some to watch too. Some things to put on your radar and look into. Giving you guys all the alpha, guys. Giving you guys all the alpha. So smash the like button, share the space on X. I'm giving you guys all the alpha I can here. How about this? Bentley Bay memes. 416 mil market cap. Look at this little guy. Look at this guy go. Bentley Bay memes. We had him on Shark Tank Wednesday 2 weeks ago. Look at Bentley Bay. You gotta love it. This thing has been building up slowly and just crushing it. Bentley Bay memes. Shout out to the community here. Where's my brother Paid XPO? He'll be here on the Crypto Breakfast Club. He'll be here at 9:30. We're 20 minutes away. Paid, man, he's getting famous. Paid's getting famous, man. Hey, and well deserved. I'm making Paid XPO and Zach from Subway famous because you know what? They deserve it. They are, no, seriously though, shout out to both those guys. They're co-hosts with me on the Crypto Breakfast Club. Could not do it without those guys. They helped me out so much, and we're growing something really special with the Breakfast Club. It's amazing. Shout out to both those guys. Shout out to both those guys. I'm going to put a little tweet out. This is an interesting little graphic I just got from Zach. Let's see here. Check this out, guys. Nice. That's sweet. Love it. What do we got? 50 retweets on the Breakfast Club today. Hey, keep them coming, baby. Keep them coming. We got Flork and Maga S today on the show, which is going to be epic. Shout out to Flork. Let's take a look at Flork. They just launched recently. They're going to be a member with us today on the Breakfast Club. They're sitting at a 3 mil market cap right now. There you go. 3 mil market cap, waiting for that big break. I mean, they've been kind of consolidating since their launch on June 28th. Still looking really good. Good volume, 115K in volume. That's really solid. So shout out to Flork. They're getting ready for that big push, I think. This is a meme that goes way back, kind of like Maga S. Biao has been down, man. Let's check that out, actually. But I'm still holding. 9 mil market cap. Yeah, it's still hovering right here. It's consolidating. I'm waiting for that next big push on Biao. But I like it. I still like this play. Still really good volume. I've been watching it. Still hold a nice position. So we're waiting for that thing to take off. Bentley Bay meme, shout out to them again. They're crushing it. Pal AI has been one that I've been in since like early. Like 3-4 mil market cap. It's way down from its all-time highs, but it's still a 236 mil market cap. Pal AI, definitely one to watch. This is Rodney's token on base, Daddy, 1.72 mil. Looking good, holding the line. Holding the line there. So shout out to Rodney from Crypto Journey. Donald Trump over 52 cents right now. Love it. Telling you, the new one is Vents, though. It's got to be, right? The new one is JD Vents. Pushing back up, getting close to 3 mil. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on, JD. Fire up, baby. Brian's in the house. Member. He's a member. Why aren't you a member on the channel? If you guys want to give back, we do this every Monday through Friday. So if you want to buy me a coffee, become a member on the channel. That's literally, and I prioritize your comments, especially on those days when it gets crazy in the bull run. I'll be prioritizing all of your comments when you become a member right here on the channel like Brian. So let's see who wants to become a member. If you want to give back to the community here, give back to me. That'd be awesome. Super chats are always welcome, but I don't encourage that. You don't have to do that. Just become a member. It's like, there's 2 levels. I think it's like $3 a month or whatever. So if you want to buy me a coffee a month, not even enough for a coffee, but it's a great way to give back. If you guys are interested in becoming a member on YouTube, really do appreciate that. And you can become a subscriber on X too. If you want to give back, and we do this 3 hours Monday through Friday. 3 hours every Monday through Friday. We're grinding. So appreciate that. If anybody wants to give back, we do appreciate it. We haven't looked at Friends for a while. 414K market cap. Okay, so it's still kind of bottomed out here, but still waiting for another maybe big surge up. We had a nice big uptick, and we took profits here on Friends. They're doing some really cool stuff on base. Shout out to their community too. Awesome people. Great team. We've had them on the Crypto Breakfast Club before. So shout out to Friends. Let's see. Turbo, we've talked about Turbo before, 300 mil market cap. Hey, from Finland, nice. Turbo still looks good. Trying to break out finally, huh? Trying to get rid of the higher lows. This is a nice little double bottom right here. We finally got a little double bottom. That's good to see there on Turbo. Could be getting ready for another break. Turbo could hit that $1 billion market cap. I think Turbo could hit that $1 billion market cap. Smog was a pre-sale token we talked about, man, and this thing went crazy. It's still sitting at 24 mil, but it's been slowing down significantly. But man, this thing went crazy. Smog on Solana. This was a pre-sale token that flew to like well over 100 mil. And it's at 25 right now. Yeah, it was like 250 mil at one point. That's crazy. I'm loving my Ponky bag right now. I don't know about you guys. My Ponky bag is looking bullish. 14 minutes away from the Crypto Breakfast Club, baby. Bone, 55 cents. Still climbing. A little bit of a pullback, but we called this one, man, when it dipped down below like 42 cents, 40 cents. Bone on Shiba Swap looks really good. I think we're going to see a big break on Bone. Ponky, though, man. Ponky, Ponky, Ponky. Just continuing to do some amazing stuff. Look at the Ponky chart, guys. You got to love it, man. You got to love it. Grand Rising, what's going on, everybody? What's happening? What else do we got down here in the red? Brett is about pretty flat today, but Brett, obviously one of our favorites. Looking very good. Nice bounce here 2 days ago on July 15th there on Brett. What else? Pepe down slightly today, but still obviously great long-term play. Kendu down a little bit. Back down to 128 mil market cap. Still looks really solid, though. A little bit of a pullback there on Kendu. Kind of looks like the Brett chart right now. Love Kendu long-term, though. The Fine token, we've had them on the Crypto Breakfast Club. Still waiting for their big push up, but still looking good. Been consolidating for a really long time, but really good community. Monkey Shit Inu down to 5.56. You had to have a pullback here. We just had them on the Breakfast Club. There was a great opportunity there to make some money on the run-up. But MSI building back up right now. Shout out to Pablo Crow, who's building that one. I got into this Ducky yesterday. Still sitting at 2.48 mil. Dumping off a little bit today, but hopefully it's a nice little reversal here. We're still in Landlord, too. That one's down, but we're hanging on to it. We traded the hell out of this America meme coin. America's meme coin. We traded this. Talked about them on the channel on day one before they launched. Good opportunity there to make some money in the short term. Take your profits, win the trade, maybe leave a little moon bag. Really like Quick Intel still long term. 3 mil market cap. Great tool. Real utility. Quick Intel still looking good. Hopefully getting ready to fire back up. But I like Quick Intel quite a bit. Just giving you guys a ton of alpha here. That's what I'm here for. I got a bunch of Land Wolf on Sol still. They're sitting just underneath 100 mil market cap. This one looks really good still. Still looks really good. Who is a new subscriber on the YouTube channel? I'm curious. Let me hear you if you're a new subscriber. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us too. But yes, XRP, man. XRP. The community is loving the vibes right now. XRP is at over 63 cents. Let's take a look at XRP on the trading view. Oops, it was right there. There we go. Look at that breakout on the 1 day. But if we go into the 4 hour, let me just show you where this flashed. This is XT Algo, my trading indicator. That's where you see the momentum ups. Check this out. Last momentum up that fired was 6 days, 8 hours ago. 41% move to the upside. Talk about making some gains here, making some money in crypto. Sometimes it's just that simple, guys. Just follow XT Algo. Momentum up, momentum down on the large caps. Mercy John just became a member on the channel. Charles is a member, wants to know about Cardano. I think it's very undervalued, Charles. And Mercy, thank you so much for becoming a member on the channel. When you do become a member on the channel, obviously you're giving back to us because we do this every Monday through Friday. We appreciate that. And your comments get prioritized over everybody else's. I see you pop up in green and I go right to you. So Mercy, congratulations and thank you. But yeah, XRP had that big move. That's XT Algo, just showing you how it works right here. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee, guys. Definitely check it out. Definitely check it out, and especially ahead of this major bull run. XT Algo is going to be a tool that you can have in your toolbox and be ready to rock and roll. This is my company, xtalgo.com. Bang. And when you use X at checkout, I believe it's X. Let me see here, actually. Hold on. Let me make sure. I want to give you the coupon code. Make sure I give you the right one here, too. Let's see. Bear with me. I got to sign back in. Hold on. To my dashboard. Oh, they want me to make a new password. Hold on. Okay, we're changing up the password. There we go. Boom. Live site. Okay, so let's see here. If we look up the coupons. Yes. Okay, yeah, it's active. So discount code X, just X at checkout. Discount code X, and these prices get slashed. Instead of 47, it's 37. Instead of 125 for the quarter, it's 90. Instead of 499, it's 399. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee for XT Algo. Honestly, guys, you're crazy not to try it, even for a month. I'm telling you guys, you're going to love it. I had this built by the best of the best, and it works, guys. Crypto, stocks, you could use this for stocks too. So we've got hundreds of people using it. I'm trying to get thousands of people using it because obviously it's my business and it works. The product works, and I want to see people make more money in crypto. Yes, Larry, it's 2 p.m. Eastern. 2 p.m. Eastern. XRP, man, looking really good. But yeah, that's it right there. That's XT Algo showing you guys on July 11th, it flashed, boom, 41% move to the upside, just like that. Strong buy across the board on XRP right now on the oscillators and the moving averages. So that's Landwolf still looking good. Where's SHIB? SHIB, 11.36 bill market cap. Trying to get back up into the twos, man. It's looking good, looking bullish. Nice little V-shaped recovery on SHIB. I think we're getting ready. We're getting ready to fire up. Mercy John with the super chat. Good morning, brother. Can you check out Chirply, this AI project set to change the nano marketing influencers game? Because you put in a super chat, we will check it out. Chirply. Chirply. Is it, which one is it? I'm guessing it's this one. 3.36 mil market cap. Is this the right one here? Mercy, that I've got up? Let me know if this is the right one. Thank you for the super chat. Fire Dozier Mike loves XT Algo. My brother, I'm trying to tell people, man. I'm trying to put people on. I'm not just trying to sell you something to sell you something. I'm selling you a product that freaking works, guys. And if you don't believe me, try it for 30 days. And if you don't like it, I'll give you your money. I mean, it's 30-day money-back guarantee. Full refund. It's literally, but I'm just telling you guys, like, this thing works. XT Algo, the proof is right here in the pudding. I mean, I showed you the XRP chart. So what happens is this momentum up flashes. If you have a alert set on the 4-hour, I like using the 4-hour on XRP, and you could set up all kind of alerts depending on your trading view setup that you have, the plan you have. And I walk you through on all of that. You get an alert right to your phone right here when this indicator when this candle closes in the 4-hour. Hey, something's brewing here. You might want to get into XRP. Boom, 41% move to the upside. People were killing it on Margex. That's my leverage trading platform people use. That's an affiliate of mine. I had some people making some massive trades yesterday on XRP and killing it. That's the right one? Yes? Okay. All right, so shout out to the Chirply community. It's way down right now, but decent volume. Market cap still solid. Good DEX score. They follow me. I follow them. Interesting. If you guys are interested, here, you know what? I'd love to get you guys on Shark Tank. Let me send you a DM. Would love to discuss a partnership with you guys if you are interested. Let's chat. There we go. I see some very influential people following them here too. So this could be interesting. I will look into it and see if it's a good fit. Very interesting. Thank you, whoever put that in chat. Mercy, right? Corey's got a super chat. Corey's in the house. Hi, I'm new to the channel. Would you take a look at LRT, Land Rocker? LRT. Land Rocker on Matic. 3.14 mil market cap. Is this the right one? Chart looks pretty good. Corey, is this the right one? Let me know. Let me know if this is the right one. That was the right one? Awesome, Mercy. Yeah, I'd love to talk with them, maybe get them on the Crypto Breakfast Club. Is this the right one, though, I'm looking at here, Corey? Chirply? What do they do? Let's see what they do. Land Rocker. Explore, liberate, mine, and craft across unlimited planets. Sell equipment. Oh, interesting. Interesting. This looks like an interesting project, too. Would love to chat with you all. This is how you network, by the way. And I get on a call and, get to meet the team and see if it's a good fit. Maybe bring them on the Crypto Breakfast Club. Awesome. We're all over it. Flork, good morning, Florkers. Come to Crypto B Club to learn more about a Flork today. Let's get it. Oh, guys, we got to start the Breakfast Club. We got to hop into our app. Our fans are waiting. Ladies and gentlemen, let's fire up. We're ready to go. I lost track of time a little bit there. All right, hold on. Let me get this all set up here. Just we were having too good of a time. I lost track of time there. Jeez, oh man. Lost track of time. We were having such a good time. All right, here we go, baby. Here we go. It is time. You guys know the drill for the Crypto Breakfast Club, baby. Let's fire it up, ladies and gentlemen. Stay right here. Stay locked in because we are getting ready to start the Crypto Breakfast Club. Today's Shark Tank Wednesday, too. We're firing it up. We are firing it up. Welcome in, everybody. Come on in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you guys want
I hate the no music thing we got going on now.
If you want to speak on the Crypto Breakfast Club too, guys, make sure you guys come on over to X. Obviously, if you're watching the live stream here on YouTube and X. I didn't even know I was live on the actual space. What's up, guys? Love it.
Yo, Zach, we got to do something about this music thing. Because I hate coming into a room and I don't hear anything.
Well, you got to talk to YouTube about that, bro.
No. You just do some royalty-free music. You don't have to do,
Well, that's
do
true.
anything.
I could. Here, you know what? You know what? We can do that. Hold on. I got you. Hold on.
We just need a good 30 seconds when the room fills up for some musical.
Yeah.
Music,
No, that's a good point. Let me see what I got here. I got some stuff in here. Hold on.
Yo, he's about to drop some opera.
How about this?
Did I just call that?
Let the beat build.
Crypto Breakfast Club. Crypto Breakfast Club. Yeah, this is how we're starting the show from now on. We're gonna do this and I'll ad-lib over it. Like Waka Flocka. Dude, we're fucking lunatics.
Boom. All right, there we go. That might be our new...
And by we, I mean me.
That might be our new theme song. What do you think? That's not bad.
Not bad. That's not bad.
I actually do have a bunch of royalty-free music. That's a good point. I got a bunch loaded up in my StreamYard. We are streaming live on YouTube, live on X. We got over 1,000 people over there. We got people right here in the Breakfast Club. It is Shark Tank Wednesday. We've got Flork coming up to the stage. We're going to hear from them at right around 10 o'clock. And then we're going to have Maga Pepe join us as well right after that, too. So that's going to be epic. We're trying to get Zach up here. Zach, I invited you as a co-host a couple times. We'll try to do that again. We got Paid up here. We got Flork. We got Your Corp. We got a bunch of people in the house.
Zach, by the way, you weren't supposed to share that photo because it has a watermark on it. That was for you to review to see if you liked it or not.
My bad.
I texted you like crazy. I'm like, take it down. There's a watermark. And you didn't even respond to me. That's how you treat Paid XBO. You don't even respond to the text.
Bro, I was live streaming since 8:30. You act like I was doing nothing. Dude, I was multitasking. The fact that I even posted that while I'm live is incredible. Come on.
That's a pretty cool graphic though, huh?
I like it. I do like it.
Yeah,
I like it a lot.
Zach was like, Zach made a message in the Telegram like, "Oh, I'm not a dog." I was like, "Bro, that's a coyote. You don't know your own project."
The only other thing too, I shouldn't have posted it because you guys spelled my name wrong. It's ZACH. Okay, only Zach from Subway spells it with a K. Come on, bro. It's a silent H.
Wait, hold on. That wasn't me. That was the artist. That wasn't me.
Well, then I'm blaming Shelby.
No, that wasn't Shelby. I hired an artist.
Oh, well, I'm blaming the artist then.
Yeah, you blame the artist. No. That's my NFT artist and my graphic artist. She messed you up. I'll fix it right now. Hold on. All right. I'll fix it right now. Hold on.
Yeah, just I might even make that my banner or something, you know?
No, that literally, Zach, that is a banner. It's the Twitter banner for the Breakfast Club. I had it made.
That looks perfect.
And if you want, you can crop in on the middle, like on the image, to make it the profile picture if you want. That's up to you.
That's dope. No, that's dope. I'm definitely. I'll make that the banner of the Crypto Breakfast Club. I even might put it up on mine too. I love it.
Yeah, it'll take probably another 12 hours, give or take, depending on how busy she is. But she'll get it edited today, and I'll send you the file over.
Love it. Guys, we have so much to talk about today. XRP is flying. We've got some big caps making some noise. And then we got some meme coins, and shout out to Zach, man. Zach was all over this shit called Mape. I'm making some money. I hope you guys are making some money on Maga Pepe. Hell yeah. And I don't know what happened with Zach. He dropped back down. We're going to try to bring him back up.
Yeah, dude, honestly, I got up early. I went to bed early, like for my time, and got up early. And it was at like 17 mil almost at one point.
Crazy.
Before it came back down to around, I think the lowest it came back down to was around 12. But it was at 17 mil. And I was like, I haven't taken a profit yet because it hasn't hit one psychological number I have, but it's been super, super close.
Yeah. I'm looking at it right now on the live. And, you know, a little bit of a pullback here on the hour. We're back down to 14 mil, but at one point, what was it, about 3, 4, 5, about 6 hours ago is where it topped out at its all-time high, got all the way up to the 4.6 range. Actually 4.7. It wicked up to 4.7. It's at 3.3 right now. So awesome call by Zach. We'll get him back up here, I'm sure.
Yeah, hopefully he fixes his internet.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on.
Zach, what I was trying to say is, listen, right now, if you guys listen to 90%, if not more, of the plays we called on here, and you just did a 10x each time, you all be millionaires. It's not guaranteed, but pretty close. I mean, if you got into, you know, he called that one at $1 million. That's at 17 million, right? Zach has called Ponky. He called Bitcoin on base. You know, you would be a millionaire if you just kept doing a 10x, $1,000. That's it. That's 3. You just need 3 X's. That's it.
Yeah, we got to talk about Ponky too, because that thing has been sending. You want to talk about breaking out? That is big time. Fight is also still looking good. That's one that Zach called. Mape obviously looking really good. We got Ponky sending. Moo. I don't know if you guys have listened to my YouTube channel. We called Moo under a $10 million market cap on Solana. Moo the bull. We called that under 10 mil. It's at 84 mil. Just set all-time highs.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
I mean, dude, Zach, you called what is it? JD Vance or whatever on Solana.
It's looking good, dude.
And I'm taking profits from Mape and I'm putting it into that. And,
I'm telling you, bro.
If they win the election, that shit's gonna fly.
Dude,
and,
that's my
moon.
This is that whole meta, like Geo Bowden, Donald Trump, all that stuff. I found Vents at like a 2 mil market cap, but yeah, take a look at that chart. Vents on Solana, still 1.14 mil in volume. It had a huge wick 2 days ago. It was almost like a scam wick a little bit, like somebody like sandwiched it or whatever, which is fine. But the chart looks really good, 2.86 mil. I mean, to me, like that whole meta around like just because we already have Trump out there, like JD Vents, like. Yeah, why not, right? So I took a stab at that. I put 600 in at 2 mil market cap. I'll tell you straight up. So, yeah. Zach, what's up, dude? I mean, what else do you got for us, Zach? I mean, just keep calling freaking bangers here. What's up? Is Zach here? I can't hear him. He's somewhere.
Yeah, Zach, I added him as a speaker, but
he's somewhere where his connection's bad.
I can't hear him either.
Okay. All right, Zach, are you there?
See, the problem with Zach right now is he's on the moon.
Yeah.
All right? He's on the moon.
I get it.
He's on the moon. Like, we don't have Wi-Fi up there right
now. He's on the moon. I thought you said he's on the move. He's on the moon.
No,
I got you.
He's on the moon. He's on the moon right now. He's on the moon.
I got you. All right, let's get down to your corp. Your corp, what's up, man? Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Just wanted to raise my hand here to tell you guys, whoever does not pay attention to Zach from Subway, y'all stupid. Sorry to offend you, but man, this guy been hitting every single call he does. He been hitting it. And then the funny thing is that sometimes in like 2 or 3 that I have got from him, I have got in the highest price at the moment, and I still made profit. That's the crazy thing. Guys, everybody that is here, when Zach from Subway say something, make sure you go at it. When Zach Humphries say something, make sure you go at it. When Pay sometimes he say something, go at it, because
that's fair. That's fair.
One got me, man.
That's fair. But listen, I have some good ones too. So come on, give me. Of
course, yeah. No. Everybody here gives some great information. And don't sleep on those information, guys, because how they say it's 10Xs that we've been doing. Myself, I'm not a millionaire yet because I cannot put $1,000 at a time. but I'm putting 50, I'm putting 100, and those 50 and 100, they becoming $1,000 real easy, real easy. It's been already four of the projects that I have already 10x here, and to make it to thousands of dollars. So don't sleep on this.
Yeah.
This is straight up alpha that you will not get nowhere else. Any other chat that I've been, they talk about, tokens and stuff, but they don't let other people talk. They don't let other people post stuff. They don't let other people give their opinion. And over here, we do all that. And that's how we learn over here. Because we all sharing all that information and all the experience that we've been having. And we become better because of that. Just because of that. So I thank you, Zach, Paid, and Zach from Subway, and everybody else here, of course, for always giving that alpha. I can't wait for hearing today Maga S. Maga S, if you're here, bro, I'm waiting for you. And Flork, I'm done to hear from you. I got in it yesterday, but I don't know nothing about you. But definitely, I'm ready for this Shark Tank today. Hell yeah, let's go.
And guys, real quick, guys, like I said yesterday, and I'll say it again today. 3 10Xs from $1,000 is $1 million. We have called more than 3 10Xs here. And, stupid on me to not actually follow my own thing. But right now, I'm 100% in my 10X moment. I'm in my 3 10Xs. This is what I'm going for. And then after that, roll it all into Ethereum, roll it all into Bitcoin, and call it a day. I'm going back to the beach. I'm at the beach now technically, but I'm not on the water. You know what I'm saying? 3 10Xs is all you guys need from $1,000. That's it.
And always, guys, when you guys have time to take your profit, take it. Because, man, this morning, like 2-3 in the morning, that MAPE, I took profit. And Solana, I have already taken profit, and I had a moon back there. But I took a little bit more profit. Katie also, I took a little bit more profit. In an hour, I made $300. Just taking my profits out of that. How Zach say, pay yourself, bro. Pay yourself every morning out of this profits that you guys get. Because that's how we're making our money. Man, I'm all the stuff that I'm doing is what Zach and Paid and Zach from Survey doing, and it is working. All of it is working. I haven't failed in none. So I'm gonna keep on following you guys. Everything that you guys say, I'm gonna keep on doing it because we haven't failed. And if it failed, it's okay. It will be only one, but then we get 9 more that will be success, and we will compensate that fail.
Yeah, bro. I mean, 100%. And here's the thing. You can't go into crypto thinking you're going to win every trade, right? But I've always stressed this. Like, the key is when you win big, right? And have a plan. Go into it with a strategy. Keep a backbone in your portfolio with blue chips. For me, it's about 65 to 70% of my portfolio in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then another good chunk in other blue chips. And I take about 15 or 20%. And I go to the casino, knowing that I'm not going to win on every trade, but when I win, I'm going to fucking win, okay? And that's going to wipe out some of those losses. That's the key. That's how you do meme coins. So many people come in and they have $1,000 to start, and they just rifle it into one meme coin because they saw one tweet or something. That's not the way to build. It's not the way to stay in the game, right? As you slowly build up your bankroll and your capital, then you can take more risk. Don't come in taking all kind of risk out of the gate. Build that bankroll slowly. Take those 2 to 3Xs. Put it back into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Do it again and again and again. That's what I've been doing for 4+ years. And slowly but surely, you start building up a really nice base and you start being able to take more chances and more risks. But yeah, it's been amazing how many things have been called here from Paid, Zach. And, I've dropped a few in there too. I mean, that's what it's all about. And others have come in and dropped some great stuff. I mean, other people who just drop in, they're also contributing. And that's what it's all about. I love it. Zach from Subway's having some trouble. I definitely want to get him up here. But he just texted us in the back channels. He's having issues with X. He's probably on the go a little bit. But we'll get him up here as soon as we can. Because I do want to hear his thoughts on maybe, some of the calls he made yesterday, how he's trading them, some of the other things he's looking at. But Kevin, you've got your hand up down there. What's going on, brother? Good morning.
Hey, I just want to say Zach H, Paid, Zach from Subway, you guys are awesome. I just want to throw a little shade at Paid. If you want to learn something, watch Zach's YouTube. He's the man. He also shouted you out and showed you love on there too today, Paid. But love you guys. Zach's the hardest working man on the Breakfast Club. Paid is the loudest guy on the Breakfast Club, and Zach from Subway is the smartest guy on the Breakfast Club. Love you guys. Keep it up the work. Thank you for everything you guys do.
Yo, and like with our powers combined, we are Captain Crypto. You know, all three of us. You know, that's a Captain Planet reference. I don't know if you guys.
Hell yeah.
And bro, I agree with that 100%, no doubt. I love it. We got Monka S coming up here. Let's see here. AI, what's up, bro? What's up, man? Good morning.
Morning, guys, man. Long time no see. Been working my butt off lately, doing concrete the last week, playing catch up, man. But this market's bouncing back, so I'm real happy. I'm glad to see Pay came in the show, a couple days ago. I always love his excitement. I'm glad that all three of you guys are up here talking because, I've been learning from you, Zach, for, a couple of years now. I support you over there in your YouTube space. I support Zach and Paige. I support all you guys because, you guys are teaching me and I'm learning something. My moon bag's been growing this year. How's that? It's my first time being out here in these spaces and stuff, and I've learned a lot from just being in here, and I've been doing my space now, with Mike or whatever, so I've been learning, and it's kind of fun getting out there, and just educating people and then learning myself too, so, I've been working, with BBM, BBM's been a steady incline, it's been doing really good, and then just lately me and Mike have been focusing on Sata Realty, Fud over there try to bring back, the Sata Realty on Sol, and, he got hit pretty hard there when he got hacked and it busted him down and he's been sitting kind of low there. So yesterday, me and Mike started focusing over there. So, start looking over there. We had it pumped up 125 times yesterday, so it'd be a good number there. It's still a real low market cap. So you get in there, we keep working on it, it'll go somewhere, so, look at it, keep your eyes on it. It's going to go somewhere, but, I'm just glad this market's coming back. Bitcoin's on the rise, Solana's coming back, everything I've invested in over the last 3 weeks. Cause I forecasted it because of the algorithm that the 16th the market was going to come back. So I guess my forecast was right. I listened to my AI and my AI told me the right thing. So, I did good. I've been putting my money in. So it's paying off this week, and if Bitcoin goes over the 70,000 mark, supposedly by Friday, we're going to have a really good next couple of weeks according to the algorithm. So I'm kind of hoping for Friday. I'm just kind of wait to see what happens. And then, of course, your Shark Tank, man. I took the day off just so I could be here for it. So I'm looking forward to it, man. Just thanks for sharing your guys' info. I'm just glad to be here.
AI, I love that. And you know what I want to say? I don't know if you guys heard that in the background. He's backing up the motherfucking money truck. Y'all heard that? Y'all heard them beats back there? It was like, yo, AI, where the beats at? Get them beats back. I know you got a money truck, and then, you're going to drop money to pay XBO.
Man, so that way the cats can play. It's annoying, ain't it?
No, that's the money truck. That's the money truck, baby. I knew it.
That's a paid money truck.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Andy, what's going on, man? Good morning to you, bro.
Good morning, guys. So I just wanted to sort of be a little bit truthful with you guys. So I'm still kind of new to all of this. I'm, very much a rookie, and I'm listening to all you guys, saying Zach's calling all these things. I turn $100 to 1,000, and it's like I'm sitting here. I'm like, how are you doing this? Because I've been holding long for a long time. My portfolio has just been 4 years of just literal holding. So I don't know if I'm doing the right thing by long holding, or should I just be, not necessarily day trading, but I'm trying to figure out how you guys are turning $100 into 1,000, and I'm like, how is this happening?
Just yesterday, Zach from Subway called one that has exploded, called MAPE, MAPE. But yeah, I guess just coming in here every day, we've had our fair share of big wins. Bitcoin on base came in here one day at a mil market cap, went to 30 mil. It's dialed back a little bit here. Where is Bitcoin on base right now? Actually, I'm curious. Let's see. But yeah, man, it's just a constant grind. They don't happen every single day. They're at 5.46 mil right now, dialing back a little bit, but I've been buying up a little bit more of that after the big run up. But yeah, man, it's just staying in the game. Andy, I feel like you're coming in here quite a bit. But yeah, man, it's following the narratives, I don't know. Paige, do you have something there? You want to add?
Listen, I'll put it this way. Listen, I personally, outside of my own project, have been holding stuff since last cycle, Cardano, VeChain, a handful of them, right? And I'm one of those guys that I said before on the show, when I get something, I like to hold it. And the one thing about meme coins is a lot of these meme coins you can't hold. You just can't do it. But the other thing is, a lot of these calls, you got to go with the flow. Like Zach from Subway always says, you got to go where the money is. If we're talking about politics this year and it's the election year and we're going political, guess what? I'm in political meme coins. That's where I am right now because that's the narrative right now. You know, I'm going to take that money, put it back into Ethereum, put it back into my own project, put it back into a whole bunch of other shit. But if, you know, JD Vance is the next up and he might become, you know, the vice president right now, you know, if he wins and we put it into that JD Vance that Zach Humphries just called, that could 10x, 100x, who knows, you know, especially if they win. So it's like right now, you kind of got to go with the flow of the ocean. You can't fight it.
Yeah.
Right? Like, that's how it really is.
And I've said this before. Let me just mention this, Andy, because I think this could be beneficial, right? So you have to be real with yourself. There's certain assets that you invest in and have a long-term plan to take profits in over time. And then there's things you trade, right? And doing both of those and being able to delineate between the two is crucial. So, yeah, like Maga Pepe that Zach called. Great call. I'm not planning on holding this very long. And maybe a moon bag, maybe a little bit, right? But if it has a really strong narrative, if it becomes a big market cap like, you know, like Ponky or like Kendu or like, you know, once it reaches that 100 mil market threshold, then it could change, right? Then my opinion could change more to a longer term hold. But still, I've said this, dude, the only thing I plan on holding before this bull run's over is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everything else will be turned into stablecoin or Bitcoin and Ethereum at the end of the cycle for me. And I'm simply saying that because I made the mistake last cycle. Here's the thing. You can always buy in the bear market. Sit on your stablecoins. For me, Bitcoin and Ethereum are long-term 401k plays, right? That's just like they make up 70% of the freaking market. I don't want to sell. I don't want to trade those. I want to buy, hold, accumulate. Everything else is a tradable, liquid asset that I devise a plan on, and especially with meme coins, that plan it could be an hour, it could be a day, you know, it could be a half a day. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
hopefully that helps.
And as far as like you guys mentioned MAPE, and I went looking for it. The only exchange I'm exchanging on is CDC. I don't know where else to look for like these like small cat like. You know what I mean?
Bro,
like,
this is not on exchanges. This is all in DeFi, man. All in DeFi.
And how do I get a DeFi wallet?
You can listen. You can get it on Bitcoin or not Bitcoin Base. What am I saying? On the Coinbase wallet, you can exchange, and that's what. Like right in the wallet, and that's what I've been using to get MAPE and a whole bunch of these other coins.
Also, you can use.
I did get a Coinbase account.
No, but
I do have a Coinbase
wallet,
account.
You need the wallet.
Okay, and how do I get that?
Just download it. You just download it, set it up like a normal wallet, and then through there you can move money from Coinbase into Coinbase wallet, so Ethereum or a stable coin or whatever you want, and then from there you can trade. Basically, a lot of these.
Andy.
Some of them you can't though, but a bunch of them you can.
Okay.
Zach, I think Zach's up here. He might be able to talk, but I would highly encourage you, Andy, if you need help setting this stuff up, hop into the Telegram and somebody will be there to help you. I'm sure one of our community members. Do you know our Telegram and Crypto Breakfast Club?
No, are you able to direct message me it or anything?
If you just click on my profile, and then the first little thing, the Crypto Breakfast Club Twitter handle's there. Click that. Follow the Breakfast Club Twitter, and then right there, that link at the bottom, that t.me/crypto, that's the Telegram for our group right here. Hop in there, and then somebody would be able to get to you. I'm all over the place, but I know we got a really cool community growing over there, and somebody will be able to get to it. If not me, if I have time, I can get to it. But somebody there will help you because you need to, if you want to play this game, you need to get into DeFi. Zach, go ahead.
Am I finally?
I think you could talk. Are you?
Wait, I heard you for a second.
Yeah, and then you're out. Zach, go try it again, maybe.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, gotcha.
Good.
Oh my God, I'm on here. It shows muted. My connection sucks. I'm at my hotel, so I don't know what's going on. Tell me if you can still hear me. Jesus, this sucks because I'm hearing all this stuff and I want to chime in. Okay, cool. Oh man, I don't even know where to start. I'm just trying to listen to the conversation. I heard, yeah, you need to get into DeFi. You want those 100Xs, that kind of stuff. It only really works on DeFi. You know what I mean? You got to get in early, if you guys can still hear me. So some of the plays I called like that. The Maga Pepe one, I reached out to the guy to try to get him on Shark Tank here. So I am working in the back channels, even though I can't really connect that much today. I'm trying to get him on here. That is going to be huge. I haven't seen anything do that kind of holder count like the early days of Pepe. So extremely bullish on that one. I don't know. I mean, the last 4 days, it's ran a lot. It keeps going. It's crazy. This is Shark Tank Wednesday, so I won't talk too much about it. But just, join the Telegram. Stay in these spaces every day. Watch what we do. And most important thing, because I'm very calm with all this, most people, get the FOMO and freak out and like they've never seen it before. Take your initial plus some out, because at any moment this can turn the other way and at least get your money and make some profit, and let the rest ride if this is your first time. But do not, hold it forever to the moon. Take your money out that you put in at the beginning. That's what I can say.
I appreciate that, bro. Hey, guys, we have 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left until we're going to go to Flork for our first Shark Tank Wednesday participant up here. We got Flork and Monka S this week here. It is Wednesday, Shark Tank Wednesday. And then after they speak, we'll ask some questions, and then, we'll bring it back to just our general conversation for the last, hour, 45 minutes or so. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Before we get there, we're 2 minutes away. Kendu, you had your hand up. If you want to quickly mention something, and we'll try to get to Max before we get to Flork. Go ahead, Kendu. Kendu, I can't hear you if you're speaking. Is he speaking, guys?
Yeah, I can hear him.
Okay, Kendu, drop down and come back. I can't hear you. Sorry, brother. Max, go ahead.
Hey, everybody. Good morning. I'm so glad to be part of the third Shark Tank week. I mean, this is the third one, you guys. This is a big deal. It's huge. Now that Zach's linking together his YouTube and everything else, man, and all these extra viewers, look out. You guys want to get in on this shit. I'm telling you, this is something special, right? This community is putting together a community that is giving you major alpha here. To the guy that was talking about, trading and holding, and it just depends on you and what is inside of you and how much work you're willing to put into it. If you want to day trade and swing trade, it's possible. You can do it. You just need to put a lot of work into it. I suggest, I'm just going to show myself here quick. I've been following Pepe, for example. So I've thrown it down in the comments section here. But it is, I've been following it and calling it near 100% since the 30th of June. You can go back into my profile and have a look. I've been calling a whole bunch of lots of different coins and all that sort of stuff. I have figured out how to read the algorithm in a different way that most people haven't. It's pretty cool. I have a subscription service that I've just applied for on X as well, and I am trying to get that application through. And just the people here, man. The people here are like number two. Number one is yourself. You're your number one investment, right? So the amount of work that you're able to put into yourself, that will pay dividends for the rest of your life. Remember that.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, Kendu, go ahead real quick, and then we're going to start Shark Tank Wednesday. Go ahead, bro. What's on your mind this morning, brother?
Cheers, Zach. So I just wanted to give everybody a quick hack or a tip, so to say. So stay on top of the news. You could get X Premium, and you could use Grok to filter what news are relevant for the degens. And then you're going to find the keywords. And if you find these keywords and you're able to get into these groups that have like these early releases, if you're able to check like the scans for these words, you'll find very low market cap that are possibly going to explode. And then you got to use your mind from there onwards to what makes sense, what could make meaning for a lot of other people. And if you're able to do that before everybody else, you're able to make money. Easy as that.
Love it. Love it. Appreciate that. We are getting set for Shark Tank Wednesday, baby. Paige, you got the music
Shark
queued?
Tank Wednesdays, baby.
Yes. And by the way, I've got 2 DMs already since the live stream started. People interested in, promoting their project on the stream. So I'll get back to all of you guys here in due time. If you are a project down there who are interested in coming up for Shark Tank Wednesday, definitely let us know, or even being a sponsor of a show, either Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, or Friday. You could be a sponsor of the show. So if you're interested in anything like that, let us know, because we are putting a bunch of time into this and we do want to monetize it. We're growing a business with this. So definitely would love to have more support there.
And real quick, before going on to Shark Tank Wednesday, guys, right now we have 1,000 people on the live stream on X. We have probably, about 115 people in this room right now, and then probably a couple hundred on YouTube. Listen, it's not financial advice, but if your project comes on here and you get even 5% of those people investing in your project, your chart's going to explode. That's just numbers, If you get 10% of the people, if you have a really good pitch, and you get 10% of the people and a couple of whales, your project's probably going to explode. Not financial advice, anything can happen. But it's a good, right now, with 1,000 people listening right now, 1,000 plus people listening right now, you might get someone who's like, oh, I love this project. This is going to be the project for the bull run. This is where I'm putting all my money into. You could also not, but it could happen.
No, I love it, bro. Appreciate that. All right, let's get started. It is Shark Tank Wednesday. We're starting with a project called Flork. And I know Flork has a long history, a long narrative of its meme. Let me give you a couple background tidbits here. Flork launched on June 28th. So not too long ago, not even a month old. It's sitting at a $3 million market cap, $302,000 plus in liquidity, little over 1,000 holders. It has a daily volume today of $124,000, really strong. And I want to get the background, the story, and everything, all the details from Flork, who's up here as a speaker. I am sharing this on the live stream too, the Dex Tools chart. We're on a nice little support line if you look at it on the 4-hour here, Flork. And we'll also encourage you guys to follow Flork on Twitter. Obviously, the main Twitter account's right here. They're almost at 1,000. So if we get everybody to follow them here.
Zach, we also forgot. We're going to do our giveaways too.
Oh, yeah. We're going to be giving away $100 of each, right, Paige?
Yeah, $100 of each project. But, guys, the only way you are eligible to do this is if you like and share the room, and also make sure you follow both projects.
Yeah, we'll be giving away $100 of Flork and $100 of Maga S today. So, yeah, definitely stay here and keep rocking with us. Share the you got to share the space and be here till the end. But Flork, yeah, let's get them to 1,000 followers on X. They're really close. They're 63 away. So I know we have more than 63 people watching. So let's get Flork's account over to 1,000 before this thing is over. And Flork, take it away, man. Welcome to Shark Tank Wednesday.
Hey, everyone. Thank you, Zach. I'm glad to be here with you guys. So I'm Flork. I'm the creator of Flork. And before starting and speaking with my project, I wanted to follow up on the last question about the holding and when to sell a coin. And I want to say it's all about being comfortable with your holding at any point. Nothing is sure in this space, and nothing is like 100% sure to keep pumping in the last week and the last month. So you should always be comfortable with your holding, guys. I encourage you to always sell your initial at 2x, 3x, 5x, even on my project. So, and when you sell your moonbag, always sell just a small part of it, like 3% or 4% at a part. My last big play was Brett, and I made 20x between the first selling and my last selling, because I was always selling just 2 or 3% of my moonbag at a time. That's all to answer to answer the last question. And so for Flork, like, guys, I'm super excited to tell you about my project. I know, guys, many of you are familiar with those hilarious Flork memes. It's been around since 2012 and on the internet, on Reddit and Facebook. And I mean, even me, I discovered Flork on WhatsApp. And I've been using the stickers with my friend for the couple of months ago. And I just had this idea to launch it because it's very memeable. Everybody like Flork and use Flork in a daily basis. And I searched about Flork on crypto, and I didn't find any project about it. And I said that's my chance to make it into the crypto space, and that's where I began this journey. And so I'm gonna say what's Flork all about? Well, it's launched on Ethereum, as I said, and our main goal is to build a fun and lively community where I'm mixing the word memes with the world of crypto and creating a place where people can enjoy themselves. I mean, everybody on my Telegram are using Flork as a profile picture and putting Flork on their names by their own. That's a strong metrics, and you gotta know they are believer when they do that on their own, and that's very, very bullish for the future. As you can see, guys, we are on a strong floor at 3 million market cap. You gotta know when we launched, to be honest, we had one guy, just one sniper, and he kept selling for the first week. But thank God he's fully out now, and only the holder are in this shot. I mean, there is no better place and better point to buy a project if it's not on his floor. And as you can see, the 3 million market cap is really, really respected since the 5th of July. So if anybody is interested to buy a project, always buy the floor, and we are in the floor. So that's the best occasion to do it. I have a good news. Next week, we will have our first exchanger listing. I will not give you the name by now, but I will share it maybe today or tomorrow. So that's very bullish. And that's it, guys. If you have any question, I'm here to answer you, and I'm really happy to interact with you guys.
I love it. Paige, do you got anything to start us off? Look, and we can take some from the audience too. That's cool. Paige, you got something to kick us off?
I'm thinking. Hold on. I'm looking at the chart right now. You take it away for a second.
Yeah, I got the chart up too on the 4 hour here on the live stream too, and there is a really strong floor here at 3 mil. But yeah, you were covering the origin of everything too, and I pulled that up on the live stream here too. I had it up here at least. Where the heck did it go? Oh, it's over on this. Okay, yeah, here we go. Yeah, it first started as a simple WordPress comic for the creator to vent his frustrations with coding, but later migrated to Facebook and Reddit. First started in January of 2012, which you mentioned there. It's surreal and dark humor maturing in accordance with individual strips going viral as reaction images. So love that it has a longer term narrative. Flames, do you have a question for Flork? Go ahead, man.
Yes. I'm in this project actually. I caught it early. It just came into my radar somehow. I was just going through stuff and it just came out. And I like the narrative. And I'm supporting all the projects that come to your show, Zach, because you're doing such a great job, man. You are talked about. You're growing more and more every day. And Flork is a very good project. I like the memes. So I grabbed the bag when it first came out, and I'm kind of down now because it went up, so I'm almost even. But it's a good. I think it's gonna do a good job. So I'm here to support that, and I think we're gonna do good. But I'm more supporting everything here that you do. So we as a community, we should definitely support each other here, and that's why I'm here every day. And this is becoming one of the best talked about live streams ever. So I love it, man. Keep doing what you're doing.
Appreciate you, bro. I really do appreciate that. Yeah, for everybody who's new, we do this 3 hours Monday through Friday. I start at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. I go live on YouTube and X for an hour, and it rolls right into the Breakfast Club, which also streams for the 2 hours we're live on the Breakfast Club, 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern. So literally 3 hours, Monday through Friday, hard-hitting crypto content. We cover the macro, we cover large caps, small caps. We try to cover it all as best as we can, and you guys make it a lot easier having Zach up here and Paid and all the bright minds that come up here. So appreciate that, man. Appreciate the words of encouragement, and we're not stopping, brother. We're just getting started, and I'm loving every minute of it. So we'll keep grinding for sure. So appreciate that. But yeah,
So
go ahead, Paid.
yeah, so look, my question is, what are you doing this summer to increase, your holder count, especially with so many memes being made basically every day? What's going to make you guys stand out from the herd?
So that's a good question. What can make Flork stand out? Basically, all the meme coin now is following up the same narrative, like the boys club, a dog or a cat meme, or a Politify project. Those four narratives are always the same in the space. For me, Flork has his own signature and his own vibe, and I'm sure everybody can fall in love with Flork, basically, because it's not a copycat of something already on the market. Like if you search about Trump coin, you'll find 100 coin for a Trump coin. Same goes for Bread, Pepe, Landwolf, and the dog and the cat project. As I said, Flork is here and has a long history, and everybody can connect to Flork and basically just fall in love with the meme. I had good friend in crypto space. I just when I share with them my project, they are like, oh my God, this is Flork. This is basically the sticker we've been using for years now. Yeah, okay, I'm up. I'm happy now. I'm scooping a bag just because I know the meme, and I can see myself holding this meme. That's basically our lightning attack to recruit and spread the good news and make some noise in the space and have more and more investors day by day, basically.
That's good stuff. I know Zach is trying to get up here, man. Every time he gets up here, he gets knocked down. It's one of those days for him. Max, go ahead. You got something for Flork?
I certainly do, man. I was checking out his chart. I like what I'm seeing. I mean, I could potentially see a double bottom happening here on the 1 hour, and I zoom in on the time frames are like a magnifying glass, right? So I use the 7 minute because it cancels out just the perfect amount of noise, and it works wonderfully with the 200 MA and the patterns that I use. So anyways, it's in a falling wedge right now, and it's just touched down for wave 3. The wave 4 would be on the top. Wave 5 would be one more small wave down, potentially. It could break out on wave 4, always, 100%. Anything can happen at any time. But the Elliott wave structure of 5 waves generally holds truth. And falling wedges do break out 68% of the time. So that's all back-tested information. And yeah, I just from looking at the chart, I like what I see.
Appreciate that, bro. Love the breakdown. Yeah, I like the 4. I'm looking at the 4 hour too. I don't know, Max, if you looked at that 4 hour, it's it has shown some really nice strength on the 4 hour right at this market cap at 3 mil market cap. Free Trump, you got something for Flork?
Well, yeah, and I'll come back later to say what
hear him.
I do.
I can hear him, Paid.
Can you hear me? I just turned my...
some people can't hear you. Do you want to drop down and come right back up? I'll bring you right back up.
Yeah. Yep, absolutely.
Appreciate you, brother. Kendu, you got something for Flork?
Yeah, I really like the original type of project. The website side of the marketing looks good. I think the developer guy, whoever you are, I think you do a really good job with your presentation as well, and the price looks all right. I mean, looking at the chart and the buys, the sells, and yeah, I think everything looks good about this project. Now, it's not financial advice, but this is a project that I'm for sure gonna keep looking at on.
No, appreciate that.
Great, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Shelby, go ahead.
Literally on Shelby's on a phone call.
I figured, bro. What's up?
To be on this space.
This is Zach from Subway, guys. As you guys, you probably know the voice by now. Go ahead, brother.
I can't get on today. X hates me, so I'm on Shelby's account. So I'm here.
Well, he's on a phone call with me while I'm listening. So go ahead, Zach.
Yeah, no, I got to listen a little bit more because I missed a lot of stuff. So yeah, Flork is. I mean, I was looking at the market cap the other day. You know, it was at like 3 million. I was excited. I ran everything through. I bought. Everything checks out great. I'm gonna get into another position pretty soon, so I'm pretty happy. I'm happy with my bag, but I think Flork can do pretty well also from what I've looked into and dived into the charts. Looks like they got a great community. I kind of missed the pitch. I'm sorry. It's not me. It's Elon. Come on, you're a billionaire. Help me out here. But it looks really good, and I'm happy that you guys are on Shark Tank. And I wish I had some questions for you, but I didn't hear the pitch, so I'm sorry.
And for anyone interested in any project that we're presenting today, Flork or Maga S, I dropped their info and contract addresses in the Crypto Breakfast Club Telegram. So you can go check that out also.
Awesome.
Good stuff.
This is the alpha, guys. As Zach said it, it's alpha. Pay attention. This is what we've been looking for all the time.
No doubt, no doubt. We're trying to bring Free Trump back up here. Free Trump, Pay, can you accept him? It won't let me. There's no button to accept him.
No, our stage is full. That's why we gotta rotate out. And
you can kick me out then.
Oh, it shows.
You can push me down.
I'll step down. I'll go. I'll just listen to the show in the background. Thanks for having me.
Okay.
Yeah,
awesome.
me too. I'll do that.
Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for everyone check out AI and Eurocorp.
Yeah, I forgot because we didn't. Oh, sorry. We didn't have two co-hosts. That's why I couldn't bring them up. There we go.
Also, guys, before we move on with anything else, make sure you're sharing the room. Because guess what? If you don't share the room, you don't have access to the $100 giveaway from either Flork or Maga S today. We're giving away $100 for each project. You could technically win both. Probably not, but technically you could.
Love it. We got Free Trump back up here now. Go ahead, Free Trump. And we're getting ready to move on to Maga S next. So that's coming up next. But Free Trump, go ahead.
Yeah. I just wanted to say, like, I've gone into almost every coin now that's been mentioned on Spaces for the last, over 3 weeks, I think. And, like, I hear them, and even if I'm driving, I'll just, like, ape into them. I don't even, I find the address and I just do it. It's like, all right, this one's probably going to go, this one's probably going to go. And, man, I got to tell you, if I hadn't done that with Maga AS and now just with this, I already forgot the name of it. It was so quick. But Flork. Yeah, like with Flork. So if I hadn't been doing this, if I hadn't been listening to Breakfast Club Spaces and, just being a DJ and aping into these things, the minute I hear the ending of the contract address, like if I hadn't been doing that, this would be the bloodiest summer ever for me in crypto. So Breakfast Club Spaces has actually saved my Memecoin bags. I'm heavy in altcoins, but I do day trading with the Memecoin stuff. But if this Breakfast Club Spaces never existed, this would be atrocious for me. And I would be like one of those people that just said, crypto's not for me, and dip out. But thank God for Breakfast Club Spaces.
You know what's funny? I remember the day when Zach, was this on his space? I remember the day when we came up with the name Crypto Breakfast Club.
Yeah, I think we were talking in the back channels. I can't remember, but yeah, it feels right. It feels right. So we're doing the thing, and I think eventually we'll get some merch and stuff like that going, and why not, right? Grow the brand a little bit. But It's awesome, man. This has been super exciting, you know, because I've been in crypto. I've been a full-time entrepreneur now for almost 5 years. And there's no better feeling, man, than like starting something new when you're an entrepreneur. That rush you get, you know, when you're building something new and you don't know how it's going to work and you don't know what's going to happen and you got to figure everything out. It's literally like a high that I constantly chase. It's like the best drug in the world. And this has been awesome to do it, you know. And you know, I show up every day on YouTube, but sometimes you know, there's certain times in the market where it gets mundane. You know, it's just like, you know, I gotta, okay, all right, I gotta throw some videos out there and keep it chugging. But this really gives me something to look forward to, and I'm so glad that we found a way with Paid and Zach's help and everybody here to kind of wrap it up all into one. And now we're doing like just a 3-hour live basically every single Monday through Friday. So just really, really thankful and grateful for everybody. I know, like, I just really want to say that, man. I love this. I truly love it. And thank you guys for making it possible. So 100%. Go ahead, Mar. You got something for Flork?
100%. It's Wednesday, buddy. First of all, thank you for having me up. And yeah, you know, I'm doing my homework right now on the project. It looks pretty good, really good. I like the chart. You know, it looks like it did a hard correction. I overheard them about someone sniping at the beginning, but you know, it happens to other projects. And if you say just one, you're lucky, because I've seen projects survive like 4 or 5 snipers. But yeah, or more. The floor looks good. You know, I'm thinking of getting in. I haven't gotten in. If I do get in, I'll probably be a little greedy and just buy a little bit and see if it does dip a little bit more. But if not, I'll be happy with that entry, which is around 0.003, maybe going down to 0.027. I'll get in again. But this is an entry price for me. But I want to go ahead and throw it out there in case some people are wondering, which is a mistake I did in projects sometimes, comparing it to, like, you know, how many people they have in Telegram or how many people they have on X. Now, you know, I've seen projects that have like 3, 4, 5,000 people on Telegram and it's not even active. And then other projects that have like 200-300 members and is active. And I like that, you know, it's at a $3 million market cap. I did not see what was the all-time high, but probably like 10 million, 8 million, if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, you know, it's at a $3 million market cap right now, and it doesn't even have 1,000 members on X, and that's good for me. For some people, they want to see 10,000 members, but there's so many projects out there that have like 10, 20,000 members, and the market cap is 300K, because all those members are fake. They're all fake. It's a fake project. It's all fake. And not this project. That's why I respect, you know, it's all organic members on that X. And I haven't checked the Telegram yet, so I have a lot of respect for that. And, you know, I'm looking to wait to ape in, you know, and probably DCA if anything, because that's what I always do. I always plan to DCA on a project if it starts dipping. But yeah, I like that. It seems all organic, you know, and looks like a really good project.
Hell yeah!
Thank you very much.
Yeah, go ahead.
If I may speak, thank you very much, Mar. And we always believe only in organic growth. Like, even our volume on Ethereum, lately you can see the gas GUI is really low. Last week was $1 or $2 for a transaction, and every meme or every project, don't specifically name anybody, but most of them do fake volume. You go to the chart and you see 1 million, 2 million volume a day. We don't believe in that. We don't do that. Each cent on the Flork project is organic. Each member is organic, and invite every one of you to join us on TikTok and Instagram. We're doing some animation video there, so we can reach new people. And thank you for Mar for your intervention.
Good stuff.
We do have, what is that, Captain Flork down there with his hand up. Captain Flork, I see you're probably a member of the community. What's going on?
Hey, can you guys hear me?
Yes,
can
sir.
You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, perfect. Yeah, well, thank you for having me up, Zach and Paid. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of also just reiterate too is you guys all know kind of Pepe and how it went. And there was a lot of Pepes before it. And they all kind of didn't survive. But we knew kind of one Pepe would make it. And that's kind of what I saw with Flork is when I looked it up, there was many Pepes, BSC Pepe and like Solana Pepe. And then I realized, one of these is going to have to work. And I believe in the team behind this, Noriko and his past projects, very solid, well connected in the space. So, yeah, just very happy to be part of this Flork community. And thank you again for having me out.
Appreciate you, bro. Go ahead, Flame.
All right, just wanted to ask Flork a couple of questions. If they have a marketing plan and what do we have their wallet on how many percent is there? And is that something they plan on marketing or Flork?
Yes. So, as I said, when I started speaking, we have an exchange listing for Monday. We're gonna share all the information today or tomorrow, and the listing is planned for Monday.
My question was, do you have a percentage of your tokens for marketing? Do you have actual wallet?
Yeah. I will be very, very, very transparent about it. For a project to keep this floor, sometimes the developer, like I said, he bundled the shard at first. So we're controlling some of the supply for us, but we will not use it as marketing plan. We will use it as floor for this project. We will never sell those tokens. I want to be very transparent about it. As you can see from the holder, we have 5% in one wallet. This wallet is specifically made for exchange listing and liquidity, and for the marketing part, as I am an investor as well, since I believe in my project and I will never sell those tokens, but I'm doing what we call a market making, like you buy low, you sell high, and the difference you use it in marketing. And thanks to this strategy, I managed to hold this 3 million market cap, even with the strong sniper. The sniper did snipe a lot of supply. Like any other project could have been dead with this type of sniper, but we managed to survive thanks to that, and we are up something like 2.3% of the supply thanks to this market making. Those tokens will never be dumped on my follower, but they can be used as marketing. If we have a big name who wanna just join us and have some a good bag with us, we can give them those tokens. If we have something else like listing and we will do giveaways and meme competition, we can use those tokens as giveaways.
That's good, and thank you for being transparent about the sniper. A lot of people won't even say that, but that's good. Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, I'm transparent about the sniper and the bundling part. I mean, every one of you should know where he put his money in and what's the background of the community and the developer. Myself, I'm Noroko, by the way, and if I may say, my past project, he's still alive. It was OX number. It did 113x from the first dip. So I have a record of in this space. It's not my first project.
Well, you should mention that. Good. That's good. You should mention that from the beginning on your pitch. That's beautiful.
Yeah. So many of Flork holders are whale from OX number, and they trust me, and they will never dump their token, at least not at this market cap. They can maybe start thinking about selling their initial about 10 million, 50 million, 20 million market cap. But for them, this market cap is like a baby shrimp market cap. It's just the beginning. We just get rid of those sniper and the early dumper and quick flippers. Now we are building a nice floor and we are building a strong community. And with the next week push, I'm really confident about making new high on Flork.
What was the all-time high? About 12 mil, something like that?
Yeah, 13 mil.
13 mil. Okay.
Yeah.
Zach, go ahead. We're still waiting for Maga S, by the way. He's having some connection issues. I'm talking to him on the back channel. We'll probably get him back up here at some point. He's traveling. He's trying to get to a good spot. So, Flork, you're getting some extra love, baby. Go ahead, Zach.
Yeah, no doubt. I think I'm good now. I think I'm finally up here now, so you can send me a co-host. But anyways, I'm pretty impressed by, you guys are like only 20 days old. You got 1,000 holders. That's pretty bullish, honestly. I did hear you mention real quick, you said you had another project before this one. Is that true? And if so, what was that?
Yeah, it was OX number. Zach know about it. Yeah, he was an early investor in OX number as well. And basically, it was an utility project on Ethereum. And we were the first one. We still, till this day, the only one who protect you from SIM swap fraud. I mean, you can use the bot on Telegram or the app, and buy a number. With this number, you create an account in Twitter or Telegram, and basically after that, the number gets frozen, so nobody can SIM swap you. That's the utility of OX number.
So my question is that project still active? And on top of it, are you pushing that one? Or are you pushing this one? Are they combined? Are they working together, or did you forget that one and moved on to this one?
Yeah, both of them are up and running. As I said in my space and in my personal Telegram, I will never give up on OX number. It's just like the mirror right now, the utility project are gassed off because everybody is on meme. For OX number, you gotta know we are a team of four members, so everybody will push OX number. And for Flork, I'm basically the only one who created Flork and pushing it. And that's it. I will, as I said, I think those two will be my only project forever. I will not thinking about launching something else. My background is a marketer, so I market project. So I can push two projects at the same time, OX number and Flork. I will never give a project more than and forget about another one.
Awesome. Good. That's really good to hear.
So it sounds like you're about to bring another project on Shark Tank next week. All right, love that.
I appreciate it. As soon as the utility project kick off again on Ethereum space, and we push OX number as we can, we will get here, and you hear about me again.
Good stuff. Go ahead, Kendu.
Yeah, so thanks for all the information on the token. It really seems interesting. So what I would like to ask you, Flork, is your long-term vision or specialization. What do you want to specialize in? Because if you want it to be like a long-term, do you have something you can tell me about what you will make your, could it be educational content, or could it be what would you like to specialize in?
Yeah, as I said, we are building an image about Flork on TikTok and Instagram. We're doing a bunch of animated videos. We will have our own signature, and everybody will hear and see us on social media, especially the Web2 guys who are not into crypto, and we convert them into crypto, and their first project will be basic Flork, because they've seen it on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube. So that's our main.
That's awesome. So
Yeah.
would you go out and do like would you do animation and commercials for other companies or stuff in the real world? You know.
Yeah, I mean, with Flork, we already had a billboard on California for a week, and that's our part of our marketing to hit the Web2 guys. We have.
And you made that yourself?
Yeah.
Awesome, dude. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, and we will have a taxi cab ads campaign where all the cabs will have these ads about Flork riding all over America.
Great, dude. Are you gonna teach people, the holders and the people in the Telegram, how to animate and stuff like this? What tools you're, and share your knowledge about whatever you're doing?
Yeah, I mean, for our people in Telegram, we have a special Telegram called Flork Meme, where it's, let me search about, so I give you the exact number. We have 15 members on this Telegram, and they are all holder, or they are doing memes every day for Flork by their own, and that's very cool. And that's what we have. That's what will help Flork to make new highs, because we have a strong community behind us, pushing us and working every day to make Flork great. And they are not just basic holders, or they just buy a bag and forget about it and check their deposit every week and every month. No, they are here every month working for Flork.
It's good stuff. Go ahead, Max.
I really like what you're saying, man. I really, really like what you're saying. You're saying all the right things. I mean, the basis of community is unity, and if your community is unified in your goal and pushing forward and working for your vision, you got something, man. I mean, you're going somewhere. Just keep pushing. You guys are doing it. Yeah, keep grinding, brother. I applaud you. I'm definitely on my watch list, and I look forward to following this forward for sure.
Thank you very much, Max.
Hell yeah! So we got Flame. One more question there. By the way, Flork is 38 followers away from hitting that $1,000 mark. 38 follows away. So if you're listening on X, you're listening on YouTube, I've got it up on the screen on the live stream. 38 more people need to follow them. Let's get them to 1,000. Let's get the word out for them. Let's help them grow that platform. So we're 38 away there. Let's do that. Flames, go ahead, and then we're going to turn it over to Monka S. It looks like he's in a good spot now. And man. We'll do Monka S next.
I'm sold, man. This guy's saying the right things. I'm glad I already have a bag. I'm thinking about grabbing another one right now. Good job to explain that, man. You're really doing something that, in the beginning I was like little, but I'm glad that the other guy was a little late, so we could give this guy a little bit more time explain himself, and that was great. Go grab a bag.
Good stuff, brother. Yeah, no, this was actually good. We heard a lot from Flork. So again, they're sitting at 3.11 mil market cap, guys, 304K in liquidity, 124,000 in volume. Good market cap to liquidity ratio. Flork, thank you so much, man. And feel free to stay up here, of course, and we'll continue to talk about you all week, and you're always welcome back, and we'll be a supporter of you guys through and through.
Thank you very much.
We're planning on next Wednesday, but we're just cooking something. We're doing something that we're going to create a new narrative, but it's going to be something secret. So when we come up, please be ready, because we're going to blow your mind.
Oh, you guys are coming up next week?
Yes, sir. And we're doing something different that's going to create a new narrative, and I'm not going to say no more. And I think you're going to like it a lot.
Love it, man. Yeah, we'll look forward to that. DM me, Zach or Paid, and we'll get rocking and rolling. Flork, thank you again, man. We'll be here. Feel free to stay up here.
Thank you very much. I will be always around here if you guys have any other question, I'm really glad to answer you. And thank you for having me today.
Appreciate it, man.
It's not Flork, it's Flame. It's Flame.
No, I know. We were talking Flork and Flame. I got you.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, I got
Flame.
you.
I'm making the ticker right now. Pork and Flame.
All right, it's time to turn it over to Maga S. Maga S, another great narrative, another great meme that's been out for a while. I'm pulling them up on the live stream, guys. They've been here for a while. Maga S has been in our group really since we started, which has been for a little while now. They're sitting right around a $2 million market cap, $361K in liquidity, over 2,000 holders, $230,000 in volume. And they too, it's kind of interesting. Both these projects, when I look at them at the 4 hour, they're both kind of hanging on right to resistance right now, or right to support. It's kind of interesting. A lot of parallels between these two. But Maga S, the floor is yours. Give us the background on the meme, where you guys started from. You guys launched back in May, so you guys have been around for 2 months now, a little over 2 months. But the floor is yours, brother. Go ahead.
Yeah, thanks a lot, bro. And I listened to Flork. Before I go ahead, though, I think what happened for a reason. So Flork, a good project that I speak a lot about it themselves. And I literally I heard a lot about it. Like, I'm familiar with this meme. I use it on WhatsApp a lot of times. So it's a good pick for real, though. So, thanks a lot for having me on again. And, it's Monkus. I know you all on the Crypto Breakfast Club. I know you guys are not really strange to it. This is a familiar project, We're like a family in this Crypto Breakfast Club, We've been here, like we said, from the start, We kept to our words. We just keep showing up every day and grinding because, you can never be lucky all day of the week, all day of the month, You can never go unlucky, I'm going to say. You get me? So we got to keep pushing. And now, down to what we are. Maga S is the Maga Pepe. It was created back as popular Twitch emo. It was created back in 2011, and it was first brought on 4chan 2016 by the creator named Monkey Sin. Now, since he came up on Twitch and 4chan, it was one of the most popular because a lot of the times people on Twitch, Twitch is a streaming app where a lot of people stream every day, like people that are followed by multi-million followers always stream on Twitch, and Maga S is the most used emote after Pepe, which they always spam while they're nervous about what they're doing. So it's something we see in our day-to-day life activities and the memes and also in the stickers we use. So that is one of it. And now, it is actually the season for the frogs. So you can see Pepe running back from 3.6 billion back to 5 billion. We know the frog season is actually here. It's coming back. And usually when you see the Pepe hype come back again, it's usually when Pepe goes to like a all-time high, around all-time high levels, then it goes crazy. I understand right now the matter is about politics and all of that. That's why you see a lot of Pepe better coins. They call it betters. So we're like the second biggest when it comes to Pepe better projects. If you were looking about all the Pepe memes derived off it, because we're like 3.6 million views, and Pepe is around 4.5 million views on Know Your Meme if you go to check it, because actually there's a website called Know Your Meme. That is actually where you can know your meme. I bet you can even take Flork right now and go put it on Know Your Meme, and you're going to see the details about it. So every damn meme coin launching this crypto space, you can go check it out to know your meme, and it can actually give you all the damn data about the meme. You understand? Then you can know if your dev is lying to you or not. You understand? So to know if it's a false narrative or it's a fake name or whatever it is. So Maga S, you can go look it up right there. Even on Grok, you're gonna see it. Even on Google, whatever. Just search on Google. Even our price is actually on CMC is actually on Google. If you search about Maga S, you see the price link of Maga S or CMC right there. Then you can see the definition. So we all know Pepe going to multi-billions this bull run. And the easiest way in making money in this crypto is following the betters. Once you have the first mover, people who miss the big ones, they always go for the lower one. And that's literally what happened to Apple Stager. Apple Stager is also a Pepe derivative. It was also, I don't know, I forgot the year it was created, but if you go to know your memes, you're gonna see it right there. Monka S is more popular, but to see how successful it has gone. It went to around 400 mil all-time high, and it was launched when Pepe was around 7 billion, around all-time high. So that was why a lot of people FOMO on the next frog, because it was there. But we launched around 15th of May, so we've been active for a long time right now. Price is actually around 2 mil market cap right now. We went to like 9.4 bill. We've been consolidating a long time. But yeah, a lot of projects have different patterns of how they grow at the end of the day. But what all matters is you just got to stay consistent and see how your own fate goes with you. You understand? But definitely, we know the goal is going to be the same, and we're going to achieve it. So if you go right now and take a look at the chart, you can see it's actually the bottom. So I always advise people to buy the bottom of projects. The team is consistent. The dev is actually consistent. So we got listed on a little, what's the name? Coin Moon or something today. But we got other CEX listed. Like, we're taking it very serious right now. From once we start heading back to like around the range 5 mil, 6 mil, 7 mil or more, because the dev is in contact with some good exchanges. I had an alpha, bro. Yeah, I can't leak you right here, but it was something related to OKX. But we're not gonna leak every detail because we don't want to feed cheats. And like I said before, if you're new to the meme, if you don't really understand what it is, you can just type the name. Even I know most of you are actually using verified accounts right now. Your account's verified, so you can go to Grok right here on X and search what is Monka S. Then you can see the narrative is fully tied to Pepe. And these are coins that actually moon, not some coins that can launch and be like, this is Pepe's girlfriend, this is Pepe's sister or mother. You understand? And funny enough, that shit never existed before, and it wasn't in existence. So what you're just going to do is search it, and you can see it. It is literally Pepe himself, but in a never state, created back in 2011. So the meme is actually memeable. It's very scalable. You can check out our official Twitter account. You can see how the meme is funny enough. Like, it can be related in real life. Let's say on your first day, you see a girl you like or something like that. She comes around you and you get a bit nervous. You understand what I mean? So you can still use the Monka's meme for it too. You understand? It all rhymes in. I don't know though. If anybody have a question, then I'm literally down here to answer everybody.
No, good stuff. Appreciate that. Yeah, it looks like you guys set your all-time high back last month, June 4th, is where you guys shot up to about 10 mil market cap, where you mentioned there, sitting right around 2 mil now. I know Paid's rugging right now, so we're trying to get him back up. But Zach, do you got anything for Monka S or anybody else up here on the panel? Feel free to jump in. But Zach, I'll give you first go.
Yeah, no doubt. I actually love your chart. I love the narrative behind it. I was an early investor in Pepe, so I'm all about the Pepe, thing. Basically, you guys are doing excellent. And you show up every day to work. That's how you grow. This is 100% 99% promotion, 1%, utility kind of crypto. So I'm very excited what you guys are doing. I know I have a big bag in your project. Same with Flork. So I'm really excited about these projects. And I do look into them before we bring them on the space to make sure they're legitimate. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people get screwed in the space, and people are looking at us to, give them proper information, stuff like that. So hats off to you for coming on to the Shark Tank. And I love what you guys are doing.
Good stuff. Yeah, I think both these projects we have up here today, Flork and Monka S, to me, they bring something that has staying power, right? And I think Flork, you mentioned it, kind of what's hot right now, boys club narrative and political tokens, and there's a lot of these things that kind of come and go. And by all means, take advantage of those waves, right? Like the whole Solana meme coin craze. Take advantage of that wave, right? But also understand and be able to parse out the difference between something that has potential staying power versus something that's kind of a flash in the pan, right? And I think both these projects today are unique in that they both are built off a real meme that has longevity, that's been around 10 plus years, both of them, that is doing something unique. And they're not just piggybacking. They're not just, following the herd, following the crowd, right? So I respect that from both of our Shark Tank projects here today. Flork, do you got something for Monka S? Go ahead.
Yeah, I just checked the chart, and I must say the biggest metric for me when I wanna buy a meme bag is when they launched, how they launched, and what they are doing today. As we can see on the chart, we are at a great floor, I must say. And as I said, this is the best entry price is when the price is at the floor, because you basically are secure and you can only go up. And we can see the price, the project launched 2 months ago, and here we are today with the dev here talking about his project. That's guys, that's the best for me, the best green flag on a project. If the developer is always around, always pushing 2 months. 2 months after, 3 months ago. I mean, 99% of project on crypto dies within the first week or second week. And to see this, I'm really bullish about Monkas, and like, you're doing a great job.
Thanks a lot, brother. Thanks a lot for your words. I really appreciate them, and you know, as it is, one thing is we always gonna stick to our words. I've been in different projects before. Yeah, I think I fell in love with pushing a project for a long time, because there's a way when you work for your 100x, it's different from when you get lucky from 100x. You know, you put in a lot of effort in. Every day you stay consistent. But I told you, once you achieve that 100x, there's nothing you cannot achieve again anymore. You understand what I mean? Like, there's this feeling it comes with, and it comes with a lot of connections. It comes with a lot of trust in yourself and believing in yourself, and also trust in the process. So whenever you're in another situation, during the downtimes, you remind yourself of how, you know, the past has been and how you stay strong, you know, and whatever it is, you're going to achieve it. So I think other people have questions for me, though.
Good stuff. Yeah, Max and then Flame. Go ahead. Go ahead, Max.
Yeah, mine isn't as much of a question, but I want to comment on your chart, man. I absolutely love it, dude. I love it, man. Like, the 1 hour right now is broken out of a falling wedge, right? That falling wedge, if price is able to break past the 200 on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, you're looking at potentially 200% gains from where you're at right now. That's the potential that's there. That's what the charts convey. It's not financial advice for anybody, but that's the message that the charts are saying right now. I love it. It's beautiful.
I'm very impressed with the token distribution. I think, Zach, you got 2 winners today here, buddy.
Sorry, my thing was bugging out. Yeah, no, appreciate that, man. Yeah, we try to do our best to bring up some really solid projects. Monk S has been in our space for a while, rocking with us, contributing all the time, and definitely like the meme, definitely like the narrative, like how hard they're working. And then Flork, as he mentioned, you know, I knew the dev here from a previous project, and actually met some other people building the tech for his project out in Austin. And it's just funny how, you know, networking in this space works. You know, all of a sudden, here we are in the Crypto Breakfast Club. This is why it's so important, guys, to get out there to conferences. Don't be afraid to join in conversations, get in these spaces, get into telegrams. Man, it's amazing who you run into. And speaking of conferences, I'll be at Bitcoin Nashville if anybody's going to be out there, and I'll be at ETH Toronto in August too. So I'm hoping to meet some people. But Monka S, Flork, awesome. Monka S, I'll give you the final word here. Just thank you to everybody listening. We are going to bring it back here for the last half hour, just kind of talk about the markets, talk about some other things we're seeing. But guys, go show some love. Follow both of these accounts. Do your own research. Do your own due diligence. And if you like what you see, hop into these great communities. Go ahead, Monka S.
Okay, yeah. Before I actually head out, I wanted to explain something because I saw some people were asking, and you know, I wanted to explain something about the market right now and actually what's happening to the Flork tokens. You know, in crypto we have what we call the metters and the betters. Now the betters actually work or pump mostly when the first mover is actually is the matter at the moment. You understand what I mean? Just like when Pepe was around all-time high, every damn frog token was actually like mooning like crazy. Those tokens are called the betters of Pepe. You understand? So people were just chasing the hype after it, going for all the frogs. You understand? Because the first mover is actually running. Then what happens when the first mover is down? Because Pepe went down to 3.6 billion. Now every damn better token suffers from what's happening to the main mover. You understand? But they always go down more compared to the first mover, and they always go up. They always gain like 300-400% on just a little pump from the main mover, like 50% pump. You understand? So right now the crypto market narrative just changed a bit because of the Trump hype or something like that. And that's why you see most of the political coins are actually running. But one thing is certain. Once a matter like Pepe is always going to come back because it's the leader. So it just goes off and comes back. But the smartest thing to do is actually get your bags in before the hype comes back again. So that's the smartest thing. And thanks for everybody who listened. And I hope you understand what I just said right now. And I wish everybody good luck out here in the market because it's crazy. I just want people to win. Most of the people in this crypto breakfast, because I fucking love this breakfast club. Everybody right here is damn consistent. I keep seeing the faces here. You know, we keep learning. I learned a lot from the spaces. And, you know, sometimes I hope people also learn from when I speak because we learn from each other. And yeah, you're always going to be here. And like I'm always going to talk about Zach. Zach is a Chad. I appreciate him a lot. You know, he's a base Chad, and yeah, also Zach from Subway though. But I don't know. Like I said, the name always scares me. I think it's Jared from Subway because I motherfucker actually rocked him before. So it's Zach from Subway. And my homie Paid X with a good vibes. I don't know. I came on the spaces and immediately he rocked as usual. So thanks a lot.
No, actually, you rocked, buddy. Nice try. No, you were gone for an hour, and that's what happened. I was here. I was chilling, and then I rugged one. Okay.
All good, bro. Thanks a lot for the places, though.
Love it, man. Great stuff. Appreciate both projects today for coming up. Awesome stuff. We'll have a new fresh batch of projects coming up next Wednesday for Shark Tank. We'll try to fill it up. We do take up to three. So if you guys are interested in that, get a hold of myself, Zach, or Paid, and we'll put you in the right direction. Like I said, already sending some messages, multitasking here while I'm on the space, trying to get some stuff accomplished. But so let's turn it back over to the market, turn it back over to Memecoins, altcoins. Zach, go ahead, man. We got about a half hour left in the show, and it's been a fun one already. Go ahead, brother.
All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room now that Shark Tank's over. Maga Pepe called this at $1 million. So now it's 16 million. Now listen to this. Yesterday? God, these days blend together. Pauly got banned off of all of his socials. That's Pork account, that's Pauly, and his backup account. Listen, that's huge. That means people are not going to be interested in that. People are going to pull out of that and move into something, like MAGA or Pepe. Now, on the flip side of that, the guy that started MAGA is out of that project, and he's into the MAGA Pepe. So you're going to see money coming out of those projects, Pepe and MAGA, and putting them into the MAGA Pepe one, the MAPE one, and that's why it's running. So that's why I called that one, really, for the information. It's all about the alpha. If you know kind of some of the stuff, you can see things that run. It's very hard to call these 50, 100 X's, I've called, I think, 2 of them on this space already, but don't fade the MAPE. Just saying. It's still really early. We're only like 4 or 5 days in. It's at a 16 million market cap. And watch the wallets. Watch them grow. I got in, early. I saw it, jump up to like 500, then 1,000 wallets, then now like 2.5. If that shit gets to 5,000, 7,000 wallets, this thing might be another Pepe, honestly. And that I haven't seen anything do this well since the Pepe days. So it's still very early. It could go completely the opposite direction, but MAPE is one, I'm heavily invested in, and it's, I wake up and I'm like, holy shit, 8 million market cap, 10, 12, 15, 16. So I just want to talk about the elephant in the room that we called, a couple of days ago.
If people aren't already saying ape into MAPE, They should make that a thing. Just kind of flows. But you think you got a lot of legs here from 16 mil, Zach? Still, I mean, there's got to be a pullback at some point, right? I got in about 5 mil. I got in about 5 mil when you said it yesterday. I mean, well, after it pumped a little bit.
Yeah, I got in at like 500K.
Unbelievable.
Just because I know, when you look at the two huge communities, MAGA is a huge community, and then you got Pepe, that's, enormous community, and them coming together, as one is huge. And Trump hasn't even fucking spoke yet at Bitcoin. Think about that. Just think about that. So I could see this thing could potentially do 50, 60, 100 mil. Not saying it will, but everything's lining up for that. And that's what I look at to get in these this is where you hit your 1000x. It's very rare. It probably won't happen. It may go to 50, 100x. And that's really, really good. Even if you hit a 2 to 5x, you're doing way better than the stock market. So, keep coming to these spaces. Come hang out with us. We try to drop alpha. We don't need to do this. We want to do this. I want to see people win in this space. That's what my project's all about, is about giving back to the community. And one way to do it is on this space. And I'm glad you guys are rocking with us. So if you can retweet the space, let's make this, 2,000, 5,000 members in here. We give you the alpha all the time. Grow with us. We're so early to this too. Like, this just happened. Zach never reached out to me and said, hey, come co-host or paid. It kind of just, all the stars are aligning. So we want to help you guys. It's what I'm about. And, if I can call them, I'll call them. But, there's a few other plays I'm in. I'm not going to call them just because I don't want to see people get wrecked. They're really fast trading ones. But I think Mape has a huge potential. Paid's laughing because I just sent him one, but it's almost too early.
He calls him as he sees him.
Yes.
Free
Correct.
Trump. Go ahead, bro.
Yeah, I'm glad he mentioned the elephant in the room, because I just want to do 60 seconds about the sleeping giant. When the smallest market cap meets the biggest narrative, it's going to be magical. And the free Trump on Binance, this little project has been abandoned twice by the devs. I've literally kept this thing alive, just a one-man show basically, and like 3 other community members. We've been keeping this thing on life support all through everything. We went down to a $28,000 market cap, literally. Like when I say micro market cap meme coins, with the Trump narrative is not going away. We have another 5 years of this if he gets elected, okay? That's just, why would anybody deny this? We can't fight a trend. We can't fight a wave. With all the political turmoil, unrest, and everything happening, you can't fade Trump meme coins. You just can't. But the thing that sets free Trump aside is September 18th, when he is going to get sentenced. Now, if the left wing is willing to do crazy things like they did on Saturday to stop him, do you think they'll try to stop him on September 18th when they have a chance to put him in jail? Even if they don't put him in jail, they could do a stayed sentence to where if he gets elected on November 2nd, he has to start serving jail January 2029. Okay, so this thing could drag out. It could also end if it gets thrown out of court. But if it gets expunged from his record, right, it could end. But if it keeps going, at a $40,000 market cap right now, the contract's been renounced, it's unruggable, liquidity's been burned, it's got a tiny little community. This is on September 18th, when it rolls around, no matter what happens. And I'd never give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just me. And this thing has the potential to absolutely give you those, 100x, 1000x. A 10x from here is only a $400,000 market cap. So when Trump starts trending, if he gets sentenced to, let's say, 1 day in Rikers Island on September 18th, we've already hit a $4 million market cap once. We've already hit a $300,000 market cap when we did our ICO and made the migration to Binance. This project's been abandoned twice by devs because they don't have the attention span to keep going with it. And anybody can check the contract. It's good, renounced, unruggable. It's not going anywhere. And not only that, on Saturday when that happened, when that crazy stuff happened, we had we basically doubled our market cap. We went to like 56 or 57,000 in a span of a few minutes. Now, what's going to happen if he gets thrown in jail? I mean, Trump meme coins, everybody's in on them. I would say 90% of them are rug pulls. I actually put money into one on Ethereum. I can't get my money out because the liquidity is too low. So now I have to just sit there. If it goes to $10,000 or $100,000, I just have to look at it and say it looks nice in my wallet. But guess what? I can't turn that into USD. There's not enough liquidity there. So even though they look good and they have great market caps and they're on the rise, a lot of that is because you cannot get your money out. And with Free Trump on Binance, not a problem. You can get your money in and you can get it out just as easy.
Yeah, it's good stuff. Go ahead, Kendu, and then we'll get up to Zach. Go ahead, Kendu.
Yeah, I just want to say I completely agree with a lot of the project that just spawns. And we were talking about in the beginning, like if you want to make quick money and everything. And a lot of the projects, honestly, are not going to make it in the end. And that's the sad part about crypto. Like there's so many people who actually burns for their things and loves it, of course. You know, but obviously not everything can succeed first time. But you can always, try again and don't be discouraged. And sometimes people are wrong in what they decide to buy in. Like obviously I've tried to have downfalls and it's just been working through it and sometimes working with it. Like even the community members can, and now I know there's a lot of people here in Zach's room. And I just want to tell you all, like as a community member in a meme coin, something, you can actually contribute yourself. And that's called working for your back. And it's a super smart thing to do, in my opinion. So, and try it out if you have time for it, or try to make time for it. And you will also learn a lot of new stuff and everything. Yeah.
Go ahead, Zach.
Yeah, no doubt. Forget the market cap. I want to go back to, I think that was Free Trump that was speaking. Look at the liquidity. He's correct. You'll get that price impact when you own more tokens than what's in pretty much the liquidity. You won't be able to cash out. So that's why I get into some of these about the 500K, $1 million dollar market cap, because you can see really the amount of liquidity that's really in there. If you're super, super early and you get all these tokens and there's no liquidity, you get that price impact so high, you can't sell it because there's no money. So the rule of thumb for me is about 500K to $1 million market cap. But I think we'll boom. I'll look at that market. I'll look at the liquidity. If there's about 300K into that with $1 million market cap, I know I can get my money out. And that is a safe play. Even though it's extremely risky, you can at least get your money out. But on top of that, before that, even with the Maga Pepe one, I ran it through a bot, and I got to make sure there's no, hidden stuff, in the coding and all that, where they can stop you from selling. You got to kind of do your due diligence before you get into these. You see all these that pump here and there, and people FOMO in, but, there's 3 steps will save you in the long run. Because you could wait for fucking 10 days, and you're like, holy shit, it's $100 million market cap, but there's not enough liquidity. They stopped you from selling, and they're going to rug it now. So, just be careful. Look at that kind of stuff. And if there's any contract out there, anyone can just send it to me, on the side channels, and I'll run it through my bot and at least see if there's, hidden functions in there. And, that will save you, because you can get into one that moons and moons. It's because it's a honeypot. So I make sure I do my due diligence before I announce anything on the space, so no one will get, honeypot or rug pull. I can't guarantee they won't sell tokens, but as long as there's money in the liquidity, you can sell, and they can't stop you from selling. You're already ahead. And like I said before, always take your initial plus some out. So you're making your money back plus a little bit. And if the thing dumps, you at least didn't lose your money. So that's what I'll say on this.
Love it. I want to get to Mar, Max, and then Flames. Real quick, though, a couple of things we're looking at. We've been talking about Pepe a lot last week. PEI, Chinese Pepe, looking very nice. $130 million market cap, getting close to, we actually wicked up here today and almost set a new all-time high. Pepe, I still think there's a ton of value there. 130 mil still looks really, really good. Of course, MAPE, the one that Zach called, we're watching that. I'm in this Saitama on Solana. It's up 78% today, almost back up to a 4 mil market cap. Traded that once, took a bunch of profits, still in there on a moon bag. This JD Vence is VENCE. Have you looked at this, Zach? Just under a 3 mil market cap. Donald Trump, went to 150 mil. JD Vence is at 2.83 mil. It's that same narrative. Joe Rogan, Joe Biden, all that shit. Vence on Sol, looking really good. Let's see. What other ones? Ponky. How about Ponky? Ponky freaking exploded yesterday. It's a $336 million market cap. I've been talking about this one since January at a 20 mil market cap. Love it. And Ponky's got a ton of upside, I think. It broke out yesterday. Mumu on Solana, MUMU, set all-time highs today, setting all-time highs right now, $88 million market cap. Hold on, give me a minute. Toshi on base looks really good, 120 mil market cap. Nice surge yesterday. This is one of the big base meme coins. I believe it's, Vitalik's cat or some shit. Or no, Brian Armstrong's cat. Toshi. 120 mil market cap. I think there's value there still. I'm invested in all of these, by the way. Oh, dude, how about Bentley Bay Meme? Shout out to Bentley Bay Meme. They were on our space, 3 weeks ago? Whenever we started out with Shark Tank, we had the FINE token, which they're still kind of consolidating right now, coiling up for the next big move. But Bentley Bay Meme, who came on that same day, is continuing to climb. 416K market cap on Solana. I think when they came on, they were like 200K. So I think they've doubled since then. Let's see. Anything else stand out to me? I wanted to bring you guys a couple here. Those few are really the ones that stand out a lot. Land Wolf on Solana, right around $100 million market cap. I like that too. Let's see. That's all I got right now. Mar, Max, and then Flame. What's up, guys? What's up, Mar?
Yeah, Zach. Yeah, when they came up, it was just a little bit under 200K. I did get in at 200K on Bailey. So, nothing big. Having basically almost double my money, but I'm just going to leave it there. It's nothing huge, look, just really quick. I truly think that, man, this is going to be tough. But I think Ton is going to flip XRP. I think it's going to be there in the top 6. I think the Ton network, it's a marketing machine. And just be careful with, fading it. And they're really, starting to get good projects under that chain. And, they got the whole Telegram thing. So I still think that, it's not super early, but it's still super early, compared to the whole market. And yeah, look out for Ton, man. I got the Ton wallet already, and I'm starting to, people are looking at base. I'm starting to look more at Ton. I think there's great opportunities in that chain, man. And I just think it's gonna keep climbing. And I truly think it might hit, 6th spot. I think it's got more to show. I think for me that XRP. That's just my opinion. So yeah, look out for this blockchain, this network, and there's a lot of people, a lot of big boys on X that are starting to talk about it already on their spaces and asking, what is this Tom thing? And it's just amazing how it's been sitting in the top 10, I think, for weeks or months already, 2 months, and now it's when all the big boys in these spaces that have a big crowd are asking, what is this ton? What is this ton? So yeah, it shows you there that it's this thing. I think it's about to blow up even more.
That's great stuff. We don't talk enough about it. I think partly, Mar, for me, it's like I got a sour taste in my mouth because I freaking missed it, bro. It's like shit. What the hell was I doing? I was sleeping at the wheel. But no, I think it's definitely got some upside for sure still. Max, go ahead, bro.
I want to, Zach from Subway, he was talking about market cap to liquidity ratio, and that definitely piqued an interest in my ears. That's a big deal. What would you consider too much liquidity, and what's too little? interesting topic. I know Fine, for example, has close to a 25% market cap to liquidity ratio. So that topic hits home for me for sure. I'll stand down and listen. Thank you.
Yeah, there can never be too much liquidity. You know, always the more liquidity you put in, the better off, you know, the project will survive. And, you know, and for all the holders. I have to figure out the percentage for the, you know, the too little, but, you know, I can see, you know, if it's got like, let's say 100K and it's, you know, 20 million market cap or something, that is just ridiculous. So I figure, you know, 10%, you know, 10% or lower is most people won't tell you this, but I'll tell you this. When they launch a project, usually they require about 51% to go to LP when you do a pre-sale. So as long as you get that amount in, you know, if you just, all right, say you got two people that are going to buy into this project, right? And there's 51% going to liquidity pool. One person out of those two are going to lose. So automatically, right off the bat, you're losing a little bit if you're their exit liquidity. But you know, a lot of these people that launch on their own, they'll go lower than that. They'll go like 25%, 30% liquidity. And to me, that's a red flag. That's why I do like pink sales and stuff, because you're obligated to at least put 51% into liquidity. Doesn't mean they can't rug you later, but right off the gate, you know, it could be a pump and dump for you and you can get out. But when projects launch by themselves, those are the questions you got to ask. The number one question is, how much is going to the liquidity pool, the LP? And if they say 20, 25%, that's a red flag right there. I would not get into that. If they say at least 51, 52%, or even higher, they actually want to push that project, and they're there to stay. I've seen some that do the 65, 70%. Those are the ones that survive. The ones that do, 25, 30 is a little scary for me. And so this, they get to keep the rest of that whatever ETH or whatever coin they're using. So just know right off the gate, they're getting paid at their launch. They get to keep that 49% if they're putting 51% in. So if they say they have no money for marketing after that, that's fucking a red flag. That's bullshit. So I will go into these telegrams and ask that stuff before they launch. And if I see any red flag, I will not get into it. So that's just on the backside of things, because I'm project owner, so I know this stuff. And most investors don't know this stuff, but you're going to hear it right here. I'll tell you the truth. So if you get into like pre-sales and stuff like that, ask what percentage is going to the liquidity pool. As long as it's a minimum of 51%, you're okay. As long as it's not just you and some other person getting into this, like a private sale or something. If you got 5, 6, 7 people, you just got to beat them to it, unless you hold it long term. But that's the number one question. How much is going to LP? And that's where I'm off of that.
And like, is it burnt or is it locked? And, pay attention to those sort of things.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, I mean, I think Pink Sale automatically makes you lock it for at least 10 days. I like to see it locked. Then again, I'll go back to this because I'm a project owner too. If it's not locked, I'm okay with that too, because in case you want to go to another blockchain or something, that's okay. So to me, the LP being locked isn't really, back in the day, it was a huge thing, but now it doesn't matter because you can have a group of devs, right? And someone becomes a fucking douchebag and you need to, get him out of there and move to another blockchain. Having your LP locked screws you from doing that. You have to wait until that time runs up. It could be a year, it could be 6 months, and it could totally screw the project. So to me, the LP being locked is not a big deal. Big red flags to me is money being moved like a private sale. If the money's moved out of that account you're sending your ETH to me, that's a huge red flag. It should never be moved. Tokens should be dropped. There's no reason you need to move it out of there. You can just go right to your pair and the LP, and bam, you're done. But if I see that kind of stuff, and I see everything, so I watch everything to detail. Those are red flags to me. Man, I'm getting deep into this. I'm sorry, but it's just I don't want to see people screwed. So If any more questions, if that answered your question, I hope so. I'm all over the place.
Oh, that was great, man. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Good stuff. Let's get over to Flames and then Kendu.
Hey, I got one more question for that guy that was just on. I was looking at one project that just launched, right? And it has like 6 liquidity providers, but it has the market cap is like 208K, right? But the liquidity is 17K. Is that normal? And right, it has 99% burned liquidity, right? And it has like 6 providers. I don't know what that means. If somebody could explain that to me, and if you guys want me to mention the project, I could do that too.
Actually, shoot me the contract address for that one. I'll take a look at it. But it seems like the LP is slightly low. It's not scary, but it's slightly low.
Okay, it's slightly low, right? But it just looks good because it has 6 liquidity providers. One is like locked and burned, and the other ones are like normal people that are putting it in there. And I was just confused. Why is the liquidity is very low compared to how much is burned and locked? I was just straight confused.
Yeah, I want to take a look at it, see how much they raised. Is this what blockchain is this on?
This is on Solana, I believe. Yeah, it's Solana.
Okay.
Yeah,
it sounds like.
Is that Zach? Are you speaking?
Yeah, no, sorry, I don't mean to interrupt you.
No,
you can speak.
I'm sending it to you, correct?
Yes, please. Yeah, I'll take a look at it.
Following me, I don't know if I can send it to you. Can I?
Where are you on here? I'll follow you. Which one are you? Where are you?
Flame.
I don't see Flame on here. X spaces. Yeah, I don't see you on here. Oh, wait, there you are. Follow back. Bam. All right, you can send me the message. Yeah, look.
But I'm just worried, and I want to make my. I'm not too good. You seem like you know what you're talking about, so I want to run it through. If you could just give me feedback, it would be great.
All right. Now, here's another thing, too. Are you an early investor in this? Or are you after? Were you super early?
It just came out. Let me show you when it came out. It came out on... I'm following this whale, right? And then this whale just put in some money in here. And it came out. It's about 2 days old. Right? It ran to $1 million, and it's at 200,000. It's sitting there consolidating.
Okay, ran to $1 million and then it retraced back. Yeah, that's typical. 17K at a 200. You said 200,000 market cap.
Burned liquidity is like 92%, and they put 1.3 million. And then you have another liquidity provider at 3.92%. I'm sure there was the normal people that just says, because on top it says burn 92% and it says 1.3 million. So how does that make sense? I don't understand. And the liquidity.
Was this a private sale? Was this a pre-sale?
No, it was just a launch. No private sale or nothing. I don't think so. I'm not sure. It just came out as I'm looking at Death Street, and it just came out. And at first I thought it was one of those rugs where they run it up a little bit and they go down, but it didn't go down. So it's just like, the numbers don't make sense, because if you burned 1.3 million, 92.9%, and then you have other providers, which you have like 6, 1 3%, 1 1%, and as under 1%, you have a couple like 12K, 20K.
Right.
The
reason they burn that is to get the market cap down, because it would be so out of proportion. You'd have such a high market cap and no liquidity. It would look really bad. So they burn that at launch, which makes perfect sense. No one wants to look at a high market cap with not a lot of liquidity. That will scare people away. So they burn that at launch. But at 17K liquidity, which you can pretty much in your head cut that in half if you're looking to cash out. So 17, what's that, 816? That's about 8. What?
Market cap 200K.
Yeah. So you can think to yourself, say you're a big whale, you can only pretty much cash out about 8K. I always cut the liquidity in half, or your price impact's too high. So those are the kind of red flags I look at. Since this is new, it's not terrible. It's just they took more on the back end for themselves as a project owner than they should put more in liquidity, honestly, to keep it afloat. But some people do that. If you do it legitimately, for marketing and stuff, I understand that. But most of these projects, man, they pocket that. Just know a lot of these projects that launch, they make the money right up before they even fucking launch. They get whatever the opposite is they put into LP, they get to keep. And hopefully most people do it right.
If you guys want the project, I could share it if you guys want to look at it. But I don't have no skin in there. I just saw it out of nowhere. I'm following this whale on whatever, and then he just bought some, and then I went and looked at it, and just looks interesting, but looks kind of fishy. So I don't know.
Yeah, send me the contract. I'll take a look at it.
All right, no problem.
Thank you. All right, we'll move on from me talking. Sorry. Trying to give people some insight, but
okay. It's good, Zach. You're really giving people good insight, and that's actually what I love about this space. And also that you put so much effort into people explaining and looking up for people. That's nice. Yeah. So don't really. I kind of like came away from the subject I was going to talk about, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, let's just move on. All great projects here today. I'm just going to say that. Monk is too. Like, sorry, I kind of like went out before. I had a phone call. But yeah, it's just great projects coming up, and it's come around and speak with us like every day. I'm mostly online, usually. So right now there's so much happening around me.
Appreciate you always coming in, Kendu. Adding some great stuff too all the time. Flame, you got something else?
No, I just told Zach. I sent you the address, so you could just, if you could reply to me, it'd be nice.
All right, I got you.
Perfect. Well, guys, I think we're going to wrap this one up. We're right about at the 11:30 mark. Man, what a day. Monka S, shout out to you. Shout out to Flork. Shout out to everybody listening here today. It was another great space. Appreciate everybody coming in on the YouTube Live, on the X Live. We had another huge showing. Much love to everybody out there. Appreciate you guys. Oh, Zatoshi, I didn't even see you're up here. What's up, bro?
No, I was just kidding. No, I know you're wrapping it up, so I won't keep you any longer. I just want to say, obviously, happy Wednesday. We've made it to the middle of the week. Obviously, there's lots of exciting things happening. You know, we got potential Ethereum ETFs coming early next week. Obviously speculative until we actually see them launch. But, it's just I think we could be making that move finally, hopefully. We've been waiting extremely a very long time, years, so definitely I'm still, like I said, I've been saying this since towards the end of last year. I'm extremely bullish on 2023, and I believe 2024, sorry, holy crap. And I believe it's just setting us up for an even better year in 2025 in reality. So just wanted to come up and say good morning to everybody. Hope everybody is having a great start to your Wednesday, and let's just continue on this journey, and it's an amazing journey we're on together.
100%, bro. Yeah, Ethereum ETF, big one coming up. We're seeing a lot of people talk about next Tuesday, guys. That's the latest from Eric Balkunas from Bloomberg. So we're looking at that. Also, you reminded me, Satoshi, tomorrow we've got a closed door meeting the SEC's having at 2 p.m. Eastern. A lot of people speculating that's why XRP was pumping, even after the XRP day, the 1 year anniversary of it being deemed not a security on the retail side. That was on July 13th. A lot of people speculating we could have a settlement. SEC has had closed doors meetings the last couple years, and there's been no settlement. But I think we're closer than ever for a settlement with XRP. And we also have some things going on with Binance. There's rumors that it could be about that. And then there's rumors that it could just be about the general kind of crypto regulation as a whole, right? But no matter what, that closed door meeting is going to happen tomorrow at 2 p.m. So we'll see if any news kind of surfaces out from that. Of course, we'll be covering it on YouTube, covering it on our spaces as well, leading up to it tomorrow. And then if something does break from that, I'll have a YouTube video out, probably posted on X too if something's big. So just be on the lookout for that. But yeah, Ethereum ETF supposedly coming next Tuesday. We'll keep locked in on that. Bitcoin continues to see a huge influx of new money coming in by way of the ETFs. News came out that the fees are going to be the same for the Ethereum ETFs, for BlackRock at least, for their Ethereum ETF. So that was some stuff that came out. Other than that, market's looking on the up and up. We're at a $2.38 trillion market cap. We're almost, it's crazy. We were just in the fear and greed index. Now we're almost out of the neutral back into the greed zone in literally like a week. This is how quick things can change in crypto, guys. So never get too high, never get too low, right? Have a long-term vision, long-term plan with your long-term assets, and then obviously, do your trades in between. So, but yeah, another great day, guys. Appreciate everybody. Thanks to everybody for showing some love and showing some support. And we will see you tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. We'll be back live on YouTube and X, and it'll go right into the Crypto Breakfast Club, 9:30 to 11:30. Appreciate you guys always for your support. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you very, very soon. Peace out. Doing the $100 giveaway for both projects on X. Just posted it and pinned the tweet on my profile. See message above. LOL.